difficult, Your Lordship.
One second. Hmm. 23 matter. 2023 matter. Okay. Heard Miss?
AB Kayastha.
Miss?
AB Kayastha.
The AB Kayast. AB Kayast. Appearing for AB Kayast appearing for the petitioner. FCI you have informed? And Miss?
Sarman.
S. Sharma on behalf of PK Singh appearing for FCI, Food Corporation of India. Ms. Kayast submits that the conducting counsel has some personal difficulty and has prayed for some time. Prayer is allowed. List this matter when?
And it be on 2nd of
2nd of June is a hearing day. Okay. List the matter on 2nd of June.
With regard to item number 18,
Yes.
Your Lordship, I have this humble prayer.
18 matter.
2018, but the Senior Counsel, Mr. Ahmed is some problem today, so in short date maybe given.
You have the respondent.
Respondents call India.
You have informed the petitioner side.
R. Sharma, I have informed.
Dr. R. Sharma.
Yes, I have informed. Yes,
But not, no further adjournment on
Yes,
the next day.
absolutely.
Her Amjad Ahmed is not well, is some personal difficulty.
That's not difficult.
Okay. Mr.
AM Doctor.
A.M. Datta, learned counsel for respondent number 1 to 3, submits that the conducting counsel has some personal difficulty and has prayed for some time. Prayer is allowed. List this matter on
the 4th of June, Your Lordship.
4th of June 2026, on which date an endeavor would be made to dispose of the matters.
Much of this.
May I please lordship? AK Purkasta engage me, item number 16, and then for
16.
16.
So you are a newly engaged
For
counsel.
personal difficulty, his personal difficulty, and then for.
Whose personal difficulty? Your.
AK Purkasta.
Acha, acha. Okay. This is also 16 matter. See, it's older than the last one.
No, he engaged me.
But 2016 matter, it should not be adjourned like this. Okay, as a last chance, next date you will not take any further adjournment. Okay, Mr.
PK Kolita.
P.K. Kolita,
Yes.
learned counsel for the petitioner. You are not on board. Appearing on behalf of Mr. A.K. Purkasta, submits that the conducting counsel has some personal difficulty in doing the matter today and has prayed for some time. Prayer is allowed as a last chance since the matter relates to the year 2016. List this matter again on 4th of June. 4th of June, hearing matter, right?
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 21 with the consent of others.
21. What happened 21?
Some factual development is
Uh-huh.
some factual development is there. We have need to
Some
take-
developments are there.
we need to take instruction from our client.
Okay. You're Mr.?
It's not on behalf of AK Borwa.
Okay. H not on behalf of Mr. A.K. Borua, learned counsel for the petitioner, submits that they are required to get further instructions in the matter and as such has prayed for some time. Prayer is allowed. List this matter on 9th of June.
Congress, ma'am.
May it please your lordship, I beg to mention item number 20 with the consent of other side. Kindly adjourn the matter for 2 weeks.
This is also 2018 matter. These old matters should not get adjourned like this. Why can't you do it?
Beef could not be prepared.
You are for the petitioner,
Petitioner.
but next time no adjournment. Okay, Mr.
I am on behalf of SK Poddar,
Your name, please?
R. Mandal.
Mr. R. Mondal, appearing on behalf of Mr. S.K. Sohoria.
SK Poddar.
S.K. Poddar, learned counsel for the petitioner, submits that the conducting counsel has some personal difficulty and has prayed for some time. Prayer is allowed. List this matter on 2nd of June, 2026.
Regularization.
Yes. You are the legal aid counsel?
Yes.
একটু মাঝর দিদি বোনো। And The, who is Mr. M.K. Boro? He is also appearing for the petitioner.
He was initially the legalist counsel here. He
Acha.
filed the pleadings.
Okay.
After that, since he was not appearing, I have been appointed.
The counsel for the petitioner was not appearing,
Yes. Your
and then you were appointed. Hmm. Okay. Acha. So who is appearing on the other side?
Yes, Sharma Borua used to appear.
C.K. Sharma Bora is appearing. It's an old matter, 2014. My God, these matters are also pending. Acha, Miss Fukan, call C.K. Who is appearing for respondent? Just check. The Home Department
Yes.
and Civil Defense and Commandant General of Home Guards. He only. Acha, so again Commandant and again Commandant, Sunitpur. So where is he? He has come today? I'll just inform him because I don't want to get this matter adjourned. Acha, what is the matter about?
It's about the termination of a employee who was working as a constable at the Assam Tea Plantation
Hmm.
Security Force.
Okay, constable in the Assam Tea Plantation Security Force.
Yes, your ladyship.
Ah,
He was appointed back on 3/11 to 1993
huh.
after provisional selection.
3/11/93.
Yes, your ladyship.
Acha, take me to that, if it is there, the annexure.
Page 19.
Acha, Satyaram Deka.
3rd November 93.
Hmm.
Now to give a brief gist, your ladyship,
Huh?
Assam Tea Plantation Security
Hmm.
Force is the result of an MOU. Your ladyship will be knowing this was an MOU entered into between the state government and the Abita. And they are as such governed by the regulations and the Assam Home Guard rules.
Where can I find this? That it is due to the memorandum?
Not written explicitly in the pleadings.
It is there in the pleadings.
No, it's not.
Not there. Okay, come again. What did you say?
He was provisionally selected
Hmm.
uh, by this order dated 3/11/93.
Is it 3 or 9?
It's
3/11,
3rd
okay.
September 93.
Then?
Apparently, after this, the appointment order
Hmm.
for absorption came
Hmm.
up on 3rd December 2008.
After so long?
Yes, your ladyship. That's quite long a time. He was found suitable for absorption to this Assam Special Reserve Force Battalion,
Hmm.
working under the name and style of Assam Industrial Security Force, subject to furnishing of an undertaking in respect of the new pension scheme and willingness to come under the Assam Special Reserve Force, subject to completion of 6 months basic training. Your ladyship will get at page 20.
Hmm. Yes. He was absorbed.
Yes, your. Thereafter, on 1/11/2010, this petitioner reported for training.
That is not there.
So by this order of 30/11/2010 came thereafter.
30/12.
30/12/2010. Page 21.
Unauthorized absence of Satyaram Deka.
Yes, your ladyship. of Satyaram Deka, who has been discharged from training
Hmm.
by the Commandant 12th AP Battalion, Jamuguri Hat, from the 6 months basic training course under him on the above mentioned ground.
Hmm.
He will this person will inquire into the
Hmm.
Gautam Laskar will inquire.
He
into
will
the
also inquire into the allegation.
allegation submitted by his fellow employee Raju Bora against the RC Satyaram Deka about withdrawal of money from the bank account of Raju Bora through the ATM card on 27/11/2010. He
Hmm.
is asked to submit the inquiry report within 7 days from the date of issue of the letter for taking exemplary disciplinary action against the RC as directed by the additional DGCD Assam with a
Hmm.
signal number so-and-so dated 22/12/2010.
Hmm. So he was discharged from training
Yes, Your Honor.
and he was not allowed to go for another 6 months training course. And another allegation is that money was withdrawn
And he was withdrawn.
and an inquiry report was supposed to be submitted within 7 days. Okay, then what happened?
Then this inquiry officers, under the direction of the inquiry officer,
Hmm.
this Gautam Laskar,
Hmm.
this petitioner,
Mm.
Satyaram Deka, admitted to the charges. Your ladyship will come to page 22.
Hmm.
I, Sri Satyaram Deka, son of so-and-so, resident of so-and-so, joined the AISF battalion on 5/12/2008. On 1/11/2010, I joined the 12th AP battalion for 25 weeks training. I, Satyaram Deka, in good health, state that I remained unauthorizedly absent from the training camp from 30/11/2010 to 13/12/2010, and I found the ATM card of Constable Raju Bora. Thereafter, on 13/12/2010, I have withdrawn rupees 9,000, which is ATM, and on 14/12/2010, I had returned rupees 9,000 along with rupees 13,700 found in his purse, totaling to rupees 22,700. Aforementioned amount of 22,700 was returned in presence of the witnesses, Nayak Dilip Sarania
Hmm? No, like. Hmm.
and Subedar
Yes.
Major of 12th AP Battalion.
Hmm.
Thereafter, on 14/12/2010, the Commandant 12th AP Battalion sent me to the
Okay.
headquarters of 2nd AISF, and I reported at the headquarters on 18/12/2011.
Hmm. Okay, he admitted his.
Guilt. That
Then this is what? Oh, this is the translated copy, right? Hmm. Then
basically the allegations were unauthorized absence from training, and that he had stolen the ATM card, PAN card, and the rupees 13,700. This, as can be made out from page 22, was returned to the
return to the person
person.
from whom it was stolen. Then
As such, he was discharged from training.
on his admission.
After this, he was discharged from training.
What is this 22/12/2010 letter?
Letter addressed to the additional DGP, Civil Defense, regarding the detailed report that has been submitted.
Unauthorized absence. Okay.
If I can go through it.
Then what happened? The order, 17th of February.
And that's at page 25. I have carefully gone through the inquiry report submitted by AC Gautam Laskar against RC Satyaram Deka for his unauthorized absence from training and indisciplined conduct as intimated by the Commandant 12th AP Battalion, Jamuguri Hat. With his letter number so-and-so with He also discharged from training by the commandant, 12th AP Battalion, with his order number so and so. I am satisfied that RC Satyaram Deka is unfit to be retained in public combatant service and he is ought to be terminated from service. I am further satisfied that under subclause C of the provision of clause 2 of Article 311, that in the interest of security of the state, it is not expedient to hold an inquiry under clause 2 of Article 311 of the Constitution of India against the said RC Satyaram Deka.
Okay, I've gone through. So he did not complete his training also for 6
basic
months,
training.
and so he's terminated. Then, so this termination order was challenged, is challenged here.
Yes, sir. Before the Assam Administrative Tribunal.
Okay.
An appeal was filed.
What is this, what order by Deputy Director of Civil Defense on 6th of January?
There, the order reads as
Oh, appeal is filed.
careful examination of the appeal submitted by the terminated constable. I agree with the decision of the disciplinary authority and uphold the termination order of ex-constable dated 17/2/2011. The dues, if any, may be released to him as admissible under the rules. The appeal dated 21/5/2011, submitted by the terminated constable Satyaram Deka, Chabua, Dibrugarh, is hereby disposed of the above order.
Okay. So his appeal before this authority was disposed of, dismissed. And then the Assam Administrative Tribunal.
There he had taken the ground. Leadership will come to para F. That it transpired from the report that the petitioner was absent at the training with effect from 29/11/2010 for unauthorized absence. In unauthorized manner, therefore he was discharged from the training with effect from 30/11/2012.
Okay, these are the facts and grounds. What is the order here?
As para
Well,
page 29.
before my learned friend continues, Malad, I have a submission, Malad. Well, from the record, I have seen that an affidavit has been prepared and it has been sent for swearing.
2014 matter.
It's a 14 matter, Malad. Ultimately, because of some communication gap, Malad, the records is there, the instruction is there, it has been sent. 1 week time may be given, Malad, so that the record.
No, instructions are there, that will do.
No, Malad, affidavit, let it come on affidavit, Malad. Kindly give us 1 week time, Malad, let it come, Malad. On record.
I've already gone through all this.
True.
And why I don't want to give you adjournment because of the length of the, the pendency.
That's true. Lordship may fix a date, Malad, on next Wednesday, Malad, in the meantime, we'll bring on record.
Because on previous occasions also, this time was taken
That's true.
on
That's
round of.
No,
See, it came up last, in this month only.
Yes.
Then also you did not take time to file your affidavit.
no, here, Malad, it has come recently and it has been sent to them, Malad, for swearing, Malad.
Are you sure about this is about this matter?
Yes, Malad, yes.
Because it's such an old matter that nothing is required otherwise. Affidavit is also there by someone. Affidavit by respond number 2 is there.
In my record, Malad, it is not available.
No, respond number 2 affidavit is there. He was the Deputy Director, Civil Defense.
Then kindly take up at 2, Malad. I'll just go through, Malad, because that copy possibly is not with me. I'll take
Otherwise,
up at 2, Malad.
wait, some other affidavit is also there. No.
I'll just go through, Malad. I'll go.
Huh.
Then my file may not be up to date.
This was filed long back. Wait, the affidavit was filed when? This was, oh no, filing date. Wait, I'll give you the date. This was 27th of November 2012. How can it be 2012?
That was before the administrative tribunal, Your Lordship.
Oh, this is not the affidavit. Okay. Oh, this is before the administrative tribunal.
Alright.
Not in this proceeding.
No, because I don't have the copy. My learned friend has also. She has also not.
No, this is not the affidavit
Lord-
filed by you.
Lordship. my lord, let our stand come on record, my lord. Kindly permit us till Wednesday, my lord. I'll file the affidavit and kindly take up on
Ah.
next Thursday, lordship take, by Wednesday I'll file.
The matter has been heard to a certain extent. And in midst of the hearing, the learned counsel for the government submits that instruction was sought for from the concerned authority and the same has not been received, right?
It is received, affidavit is drafted, we have sent it for signing.
The
I'll just-
instruction had been received and the affidavit is also prepared
My lord,
and the same was sent for vetting,
my lord.
which has not been received. As such, he prays for a week's time to file the necessary affidavit. The prayer is allowed as a last opportunity. List this matter on 26th of this month,
Lordship.
right? Or 1 week, 26th of this month, on which date positively the government advocate would file the affidavit and the matter will be taken up for final disposal.
My lord, file your lord.
Yes,
Lordship, I pray the matter be taken up after some time. I'm led by Mrs. Rakhi Chaudhary in this matter, Your Lordship.
after some time.
Okay.
Yes, Mr. Chaudhary?
Please, your lordship.
Hmm.
My lord, in this matter, the claim made by the petitioner is in respect of, my lord, an appointment pursuant to selection. The affidavits are exchanged, my lord. This is ready for final disposal.
My lord,
Lordship
no,
take-
my lord, of late, they have again filed another affidavit, my lord, that I have sent to the, it's an additional affidavit, my lord. So that I have sent to the department, my lord.
Additional affidavit, why do you worry?
My lord, there are some issues that I should be worried about, my lord. Because, my lord, and this matter, my lord, earlier came before another bench, my lord.
Hmm.
And the honorable judge, he said that similar petitions he has dismissed. So
Hmm.
I am looking for those judgment, my lord, in the meantime. On the last occasion, last week,
So judgments of, so you couldn't find, you'll find it.
that 4 similar petitions, my lord.
What was the order? Dismissal.
dismissal? So
So he's trying to find out.
I'm trying to find those judgments, my lord. It was before Honorable Justice UK Nair, on the last occasion, he said, I
Hmm.
dismissed similar 4 petitions. So, my lord, I'm trying to catch hold of those.
No, what that all merit report can even, now
And-
those judgments dismiss it.
My lord,
The
See,
court is
no,
not satisfied with my submission.
similar issues, my lord. So, my lord, my prayer, and I have sent that the affidavit that they have filed, my lord, to the department. Let me get the instruction, my lord. And my
Mr.
senior has
Chaudhary?
just entered, so my lord, we can always, my lord, harp it out on the next date. He was not,
Time is precious. Why do you do all this?
my lord, I understand, my lord.
Let me take a short time.
Short date, 1 week's time?
10 days, ma'am.
Okay, heard Mr. M.K. Chaudhary, learned senior counsel, assisted by Mr. M. Sharma, learned counsel for the petitioner, and Mr. R. Dhar, learned standing counsel for
Handloom, my lord.
uh-huh,
Handloom and textile.
handloom and textile. Handloom and textile. Mr. Dhar submits that the petitioner has filed an additional affidavit, which he has sent to the appropriate authorities for
Instruction.
their feedback, and as such has prayed for some time. I'll not talk about the judgments.
No, my-
This matter on 25th of May, Monday.
Let me
Oh,
please.
10 days you said. On 1st of June, Mr. Chaudhary,
Well,
that will be too long, no?
20.
1st of June.
So fine, fine.
1st of June, Mr. Dhar.
My lord,
More than 10 days I'm giving
my-
you.
my lord, deeply obliged, my lord.
I'm not happy with. Was the opportunity of arguing before your lordship.
No, no, no. That you'll have many. It's okay.
All right.
Yes, Mr. Islam?
Yes, my lord.
Respondent number 4, 5 and 6 have filed affidavit.
Respondent number 3, service is complete,
Fine.
right?
So on last occasion, my lord.
BTC is there.
Lordship,
Yes, madam.
we have filed our affidavit now.
Huh.
If you lordship, hear me then in the statement.
What about respondent number 3?
My lord, they have not filed any, my lord, response till date. Those services completed, my lord. So, my lord, on last occasion, the honorable court was pleased to proceed with the matter without payment.
Again, I'll proceed. Again, one prayer will come. No, we have to file affidavit. Let me see. Government of Assam, secondary, okay, Mushari is there.
My lord, they
Then
have-
mission director,
my lord, on last occasion, my lord, they have submitted, they have nothing to do with this, my lord, issue.
mission director.
My lord.
Who appears for mission director?
On last occasion, my lord, Mr. B. Sudhiri was here.
Managing director, Adarsh Vidyalaya Sangathan.
Yes, my lord.
That
Earlier,
is served.
my lord, earlier, my lord, these schools were governed by the, my lord, RMSA, my lord.
Hmm.
And director, but later on, my lord, these schools have been transferred to the control of, other Shabdar Sangathan. But they have not,
Later on, my lord, it has become an autonomous body, my lord. Adarsh
Hmm.
Vidyalaya.
Hmm. So there is no representation on behalf of respondent number 3, right? Any, so what? Any
my lord,
government council can appear? No. We don't know. So others are all BTC.
yes, my lord.
Who is
BTC,
appearing for inspector of schools?
my lord, BTC
I
have-
think the government advocate.
No, my lord, I am appearing for.
Or this is also Kokrajhar.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
And finance, somebody has to come.
my lord,
So can it be taken up for disposal or we will wait for some
The
formalities?
the response of the mission director is required, ma'am. right?
Mission director?
my lord, respondent number 3.
Because on the last occasion, only respondent number 3 was spoken of.
Yes, ma'am.
What about 2?
My lord, 2, my lord, now, on
But
last
see,
occasion,
order dated 23, 2026, where last chance was given to 2 and 3 to file affidavit. So 2 and 3 had representations.
my lord, on last occasion, they appeared, my lord, but they have submitted that they have nothing to do with the issue. So, my lord,
But it's not reflected in the order to file affidavit, failing which the court would proceed to decide the matter on the basis of the materials. Involved in the response of RMSA would be required. RMSA is?
Respond number 2, my lord.
that's not true, my lord.
Oh. So RMSA would be required and there is no one for the RMSA. Oh, there is a standing counsel for RMSA,
Yes,
Mr. B. Chaudhary.
On last
Who's
occasion,
B. Chaudhary?
my lord, on last occasion, Mr. Bisudari appeared
Hmm.
in the case, and he has submitted that RMSA has nothing to do with the issue. The issue revolves around the testimony number 3, because now the others of are, my lord, controlled by managing director, others of Vidyalaya Sangathan, my lord.
So there also no representation, but on 28th of March 26, it is seen that respond number 3 was represented.
Earlier,
But
my lord-
Mr. B. Chaudhary only represents 2 and 3 both.
earlier, my lord, he said that he will appear, but on last occasion, my lord, he has submitted that he will not represent so number 3. That is why court has passed the order.
But call Mr. B. Chaudhary
Then after some time, my lord,
after some time. Call him. Hmm.
That pertains to my lord family pension and my lord some period salary of the deceased husband. of
Acha.
the deceased.
So affidavits are exchanged.
Yes, yes, lord.
Pleadings are complete.
Yes,
Acha. So who appears on the other side?
yes, yes, Burua.
Huh?
Yes, Burua.
Union of India.
You know,
So CGC can appear.
yes,
All Union of India, all CGC only.
one to.
So there is no CGC today. Inform as Borua, Siddhartha Borua.
No,
Mrs. as Borua. She's there today. Just call her. Okay, you can proceed then.
lord.
Hmm.
My lord, when the husband of the petitioner,
Acha, just 1 second, wait.
lord,
It was sent for mediation, mediation failed, right?
It failed, Lordship.
Okay. Hmm.
My lord.
Yes.
Well, my lord, husband of the petitioner was serving as lens nayak, my lord. A FIR was registered against him. And accordingly, my lord, he was, and case was registered under section 307 and 427 of IPC, read with section 27 of the.
307 attempt to murder
Yes, ma'am.
and
427 of IPC.
427 is wrongful confinement.
Yes, ma'am.
Acha, then?
Read with section 27 of the Arms Act.
Hmm.
Accordingly, my lord, he was dismissed from service.
Hmm. On the basis of the FIR?
Not my
No
lord.
departmental proceeding?
Yes, departmental proceeding was also held.
Hmm.
My lord, accordingly, my lord, there was a trial. And in the trial, if lordship may kindly come to my lord, thereafter in the trial, my lord, he was convicted
Hmm.
under section 307, 426, 427. my lord.
Hmm.
Against the order of conviction, my lord,
Hmm.
he had approached before the Honorable High Agartala bench. Now lordship may kindly come to page 22.
Page 22?
2, my lord. Order of the Honorable High.
Acha, there's a criminal appeal. What happened there?
He was acquittal from the charge.
Oh, he was acquitted.
Yes, ma'am. Page 30, lordship, ma'am.
Hmm.
I am reading, my lord. For the reasons and discussions aforementioned, this appeal has merit, and the same is allowed, setting aside and quashing the judgment impugned whereby the appellant has been convicted and sentenced. If the appellant has been dismissed from service only because of the criminal proceeding and the conviction aforementioned, then he must be reinstated in service forthwith, with all financial benefits which would have been admissible to him had he not been dismissed from this false and baseless criminal case.
Hmm.
It is left to the competent authority in the CRPF to take appropriate action against the camp commander, PW1, who conspired and executed the whole thing.
But
It
you
is-
said disciplinary proceeding was undertaken.
Yes, ma'am. That is, I'm coming to that. Against the said order,
Hmm.
Union of India had preferred a criminal appeal, my lord,
Hmm.
before the Honorable Supreme Court. It is a two-folded judgment.
Hmm.
Now, lordship may kindly come to page 32,
Hmm. 30?
my lord.
Hmm. So what did the
Criminal-
apex court say?
Therein, my lord, lordship may kindly come to my lord operative portion, that is page 37.
Hmm. You are there for the matter?
Yes, that's,
You are ready?
yes.
Not a big matter, it seems. So Supreme Court, what did the Honorable Apex Court
Yes,
did?
my lord. Supreme Court, my lord, that part, my lord, that reinstatement part,
Ah.
that interfered. But
Hmm.
regarding the conviction part, they are not, acquittal part, my lord, they are not.
Upheld. Hmm.
Now thing is, this is the portion of criminal case. Now
Hmm.
thing is that, my lord,
Then?
lordship. Now thing is that, my lord,
Hmm.
thereafter a disciplinary proceeding was initiated against him.
Thereafter?
No, not there.
Hmm.
During the pendency of the trial.
Hmm.
And accordingly, my lord, my lord,
Hmm.
against the order of dismissal, my lord, husband of the petitioner approached before this honorable high court. Lordship may
What
kindly-
happened to the disciplinary proceeding?
He was dismissed from service.
Hmm. After a full-fledged inquiry?
Yes.
Hmm. Then why again High Court's doors were
Now
not
lordship may kindly come to page 40.
40,
2.
42?
Yes.
This is by an order in the miscase. What is this
No,
miscase?
not miscase, my lord.
No, 41 is a miscase order.
Yes, my lord. During that, my lord, dismissed for default, thereafter, he had filed a miscase for restoration of the repetition.
Hmm.
Now, lordship may kindly come to page 42, my lord.
Hmm.
This is the order passed by the honorable high court.
Hmm.
And operative portion, if lordship may kindly come to,
Why is that writ filed?
my lord, read file for against the order of dismissal.
Dismissal. Hmm.
Now, lordship may kindly come to page 49.
40?
9, my lord.
Hmm. Yes.
My lord, the punishment of dismissal
Mm.
has been imposed on the petitioner on a finding that both the charges are proved. In a situation where the second charge in the disciplinary proceeding has been interfered with by the present order, what would be the adequate measure of penalty that should be imposed on the petitioner on the basis of the first charge is a question that should be determined by the disciplinary authority
Mm.
and not by the court.
So
The
second charge was interfered.
Yes. No, ultimately, it was remanded.
Then what happened, just see?
The power of imposition of punishment is in the employer, and the role of the court would come in only if the punishment imposed is excessive or grossly disproportionate. In such a situation, the court is of the view that the case of the petitioner should be remanded to the disciplinary authority for taking a fresh decision as to the measure of penalty that would be imposed on him in the circumstances noted above. That is when only the first charge has been held to be proved.
So the second charge was not proved.
Not proved. And accordingly, the matter was remanded back to the disciplinary body.
Second charge was not proved means in the disciplinary proceeding itself
Yes,
or by this court.
no.
The
Actually,
court had interfered with the second charge. No, or
second
what?
charge, it is stated that not proved, my lord. Actually, that particular documents, actually, I don't have with me.
Acha.
Difficulty is that because his husband was died in the year of 2012.
Then okay. So it was remanded to take a fresh decision on the penalty part only.
Only penalty,
Mm.
honorable sir.
Mm.
Now thing is that after remand back and consequences that may emanate from the de novo decision will follow. Thereafter, they have not taken any action. Yes, stand is that, my lord, he not informed the order of this court to the authority.
He had not informed this order
Yes, to the
to
authority.
the
It
office.
is their content.
In the affidavit, they have written that. And thereafter the husband,
They have submitted the same.
and thereafter the husband died.
Yes, madam. In the year 2012, madam.
This order was in which year?
This order is in the 2010.
10.
2010.
So after this order, he died.
Right,
After
in the year
this-
2012.
Then?
But they have not taken any action against the proceeding.
He had,
Because that was remanded.
after this order, petitioner has not submitted any representation or inform before the respondent authority, lordship. And
But I can
Is
see
that
one
clearly-
representation to the Director General page. This was in 22.
22, this petition is not maintainable on the delay of laches ground, lordship. Petitioner was dismissed from service on 1998, lordship.
Mm.
As per our affidavit, lordship, kindly.
Let him finish. That
Yes,
you have
yes,
finished.
yes.
Lordship,
Then?
my lord, they have not taken any action against them, my lord. And
Then
regarding
22
your- If conviction goes, then you should be reinstated in
No,
service.
no, that is not the
Because-
law.
Because
Because
honorable-
conviction is different and disciplinary proceeding.
Because, my lord, Honorable Supreme Court also, it is a two-folded judgment. Honorable Supreme Court also interfered with that portion that he may be reinstated in service.
Mm.
Because in criminal cases, court cannot direct to
Mm.
reinstate the person in
Mm.
service.
But then the problem
But-
is disciplinary authority had taken a decision of dismissing you. You had challenged it.
Yes,
The first charge was not proved, second charge not proved.
yes.
So on first charge, the matter was remanded back. You did not inform the authorities.
No, my lord. At that point of time, I don't know, my lord, whether he has informed the same or not. But it is the duty of the government advocate also that the same thing is supposed to intimate the authority.
But what about your duty?
No, actually, my lord, what happened?
And you had given your representation in 22,
20. Because
12 years thereafter.
That's
What, 12 years or what? 10, right? Huh.
my lord, his wife is getting nothing, my lord. No pension, no family pension, and during that period, he is entitled for the arrear salary also,
So now your prayer is for financial benefits
for financial benefit and family pension.
and family pension.
Yes.
And according to, yes, you're over, you have done.
Yes.
Any judgments on something?
My lord, judgments. At present, actually, I don't have, my lord, but
Okay. Any judgment that if he is acquitted,
my lord,
any judgment that if he is acquitted, some benefits will accrue to him. Any judgments on that?
At present, my lord,
Okay, I'll hear, let me hear her. Yes? Apart from the delay and latches part, what else?
On, I kindly come to page 65 of our affidavit.
Hmm. Yes?
Para 10,
Hmm,
that, may I read, Lordship?
hmm,
That with regard to the statement made in paragraph 11 of the writ petition, the deponent submits that this honorable court vide order dated 8/8/2007 passed in criminal appeal number 45 of 2000 quashed the conviction and sentence order of the husband of the petitioner herein, and also ordered to reinstate him will and all financial.
that we have seen,
Yes,
that
sir.
Supreme Court has
After that,
interfered.
Respondents file an appeal before the Honorable Supreme Court,
Mm,
and Supreme Court grants stay on
Mm.
it, Lordship.
mm,
And after that come to paragraph 11, Lordship.
hmm.
The Honorable.
That stay will have no valid, it's not, no longer valid now.
After that,
the-
after issuing of notice, the petitioner or his wife not present before the court, Lordship, and the petitioner was died on 2012. That is also not informed before the Honorable Court, Honorable Court, and also the respondent authority, Lordship. Therefore, how can respondent authority proceed with that, Lordship? And
No,
after-
no, this is, when the High Court order was passed, then he was very much alive. It was in when? It was on 2007.
But stay on the reinstatement part, Lordship. On the-
Reinstatement part, Supreme Court
Yes,
has interfered.
Interfered. Therefore, that is the interfered by the Supreme Court, Lordship.
Hmm.
And therefore, it is not, how can reinstate that?
No, of course, he
Yes,
cannot be
sir.
reinstated on the
Yes.
basis of High Court's order,
Yes, Lordship.
because Supreme
And-
Court has a set aside.
Yes, yes.
But then after that, there was a writ, and it was remanded back.
Yes, remanded by the High Court,
Mm.
Lordship. But that is not informed to the.
Yes, this is what you said,
Yes,
it
and
is not
that
informed.
Presentation filed by the petitioner.
Mm.
And after his death, his wife was also not informed the authority about the death of her husband, Lordship.
Mm.
And no representation filed for before the authority. And after 12 years, 2012, after he was died, and after 10 years back.
Yes, that I have seen.
Yes, Lordship.
But
And-
how many years he had rendered in his service?
my lord,
He was appointed when?
appointed in the year 1984, my lord.
84.
Yes, ma'am.
And he continued in service till
Till 2000, my lord,
14/10/98,
98, my lord.
yes.
98.
14 years.
So 14 years of service. He'll be entitled to pension and all, right?
Yes, my lord, definitely.
He's a regular employee.
Yes, regular.
So why not give him the financial benefits to his wife?
Department has not informed about this, Lordship.
But
But
then
the
his,
petitioner-
his family is entitled to family pension. And what about, I mean, it was not informed and no further penalty was imposed also, right? Matter rested at that.
Yes.
He was dismissed from service, that is their, Lordship.
That was set aside, my lord,
Dismissal, set aside,
and remanded back to the,
remanded.
but they have not taken any action.
No, his dismissal was not set aside. Only the charge, second charge was not proved. On the first charge, they
Only
did
directed
Ah.
to go for de novo procedure.
not de novo
Not
proceeding,
exactly.
only for imposing the penalty.
Yes. Only-
The authorities are best one to decide.
Yes.
So only for imposing the penalty. Otherwise, the charges
Yes.
are proved. The
Proved,
first
yes.
charge was
Well,
proved.
Yes.
First charge proved, second charge was not proved.
Hmm. But then that exercise was not done. The new penalty thing is not done.
No, nothing else.
So the dismissal part stands,
Yes, Lordship.
Well, dismissal part set aside by the honorable High Court.
not
No,
set
not
aside.
aside.
Only one charge was said to be not proved.
No, by the Agartala bench, my lord, dismissal order was set aside. The judgment, my lord.
Where dismissal order was set aside, Agartala bench?
My lord,
This is by Justice Ranjan Gogoi, which I had just seen.
Yes.
Agartala bench, just show me that.
no, by the my lord criminal.
Ha ha.
Criminal
By
appeal
the
is
criminal
different. Criminal appeal is.
No, no, no,
Justice-
that criminal court's order gone.
And Honorable Ranjan Gogoi's judgment is there at.
No,
page
that I have
49.
seen.
Yes.
The criminal court's judgment is that to reinstate him, which is set aside by the
Yes,
Supreme Court.
yes.
Yeah.
But regarding acquittal part,
Acquittal, he is acquitted of his criminal, in his criminal case.
although I am acquitted
But
from.
as far as his reinstatement is concerned, there you had
It is not
challenged.
specific, my lord, because they have, honorable court have directed to take fresh decision.
Not
regarding-
fresh decision,
If
for
not-
penalty. Fresh
Lordship-
penalty.
My lord, page 49, lordship may tell.
Yes, that I have fresh decision as
to
to
the
the
maximum
nature of penalty, not fresh decision to
That
start
should be
inquiry.
imposed on him in the circumstances noted above. When only the first charge has been held to be proved, the disciplinary authority will decide the matter forthwith and without any delay, and thereafter all such legal consequences that may emanate from the de novo decision. will
De
follow.
novo decision,
But-
what penalty has to be imposed, not the inquiry. Right, so that is not done, you had not, that was remanded, then what happened? Nothing happened.
Nothing happened. And that order was passed in the
You
year
had not
2000.
communicated this order to the authorities.
My lord,
But there is a direction to, but there was a direction to the authorities to impose fresh penalty.
Whether fresh penalty were imposed or not, that is. not-
That decision I want, that
yes.
instruction, that
That,
fact I want. But in his petition, it is said that it is not discernible.
yes.
What about the representation? Just see the representation at page 32, 52.
Against the said representation, they have given some response also. my lord.
Acha, so during the pendency of the criminal appeal, these are the charge.
Yes.
Article 1. So this firing of 15 rounds were said to be not proved, right?
yes.
Only that he was absent in the coil lines was stated to have been proved.
Without any permission from the competent authority. That is the charge.
The registry of this honorable court had communicated the order to your department, according to her representation.
Yes, sir. What happened after this communication of March 22? It is internal communication of department, Lordship.
Wait, just a minute.
Last, please.
The disposal by the Supreme Court was in 2015, after the death of the petitioner.
Yes, Lordship.
Yes.
I saw 2010.
2010 is High Court decision order, Lordship.
Oh, 2015.
2015. Various communication was made to the petitioner, Lordship, but petitioner not absent, that is, I have mentioned in our affidavit, Lordship.
Acha, what about this representation? There was no disposal by the authority?
Page 57, my lord.
57.
57.
One internal communication is annexed by the petitioner, Lordship.
One second. Then what happened? This is an internal communication. Then
Lordship.
there is no disposal of the representation.
No, my,
No.
thereafter no comment.
Of course, the reason shown is that her husband died. Thereafter, COVID came and she could not come down for representation. But the registry must have sent the order to the
Yes.
authorities. But anyways, that will not be counted. Why don't you dispose of the representation?
That instruction I have to take from the department. Lordship.
So let the representation be disposed of. There is also a forwarding letter. That will serve the purpose, or I will give the direction to dispose of the representation.
Yes,
Reconsider the representation already filed and
Yes.
to dispose of
yes, Lordship.
Within a time.
within a time frame. Okay. Heard Mr.
As per law.
Yes, Lord.
S. Chaudhary, learned counsel for the petitioner, and Miss S.
Borua.
S. Borua, learned what?
CGC.
Learned CGC. By this application, filed under 226 of the the 226 of the garam pani bodi bana kon, garam pani bodi bana. 226 of the Constitution of India, the petitioner has prayed. Garam pani bodi. Has prayed for a direction to the respondents to release the arrear salary of her deceased husband with effect from 14/10/1998 to 28/7/2012 with interest at the rate of 12% per annum. Full stop. The petitioner has also prayed for a direction to the respondents to grant family pension and other pensionary benefits due to the petitioner with effect from 28/7/2012 with interest at the rate of 12% per annum. The case of the petitioner is that while he was serving as Lance Nayak in the Central Reserve Police Force, within bracket CRPF, in the year 1998, an FIR was lodged. Where do I find these facts?
My lord. My lord,
FIR is also not there.
yes, my lord, only from the, my lord, page 22, that is the judgment.
An FIR was lodged. Wait. In the year 1981, he was on duty at Imam, and the husband held camp was organized. Lodged against him, alleging that during a medical camp, during a health checkup, conducted in a camp, he entered into an altercation with the captain commandant, not captain, camp commandant. And although he was overpowered, but after some time, he allegedly opened fire. He allegedly opened fire 15 rounds, fired there, huh? Allegedly opened fired 15 rounds from his service rifle. And that he was again overpowered and was handed over to the police. Full stop. An investigation was conducted and a charge sheet was submitted under section 307 of the IPC and section 27 of the Arms Act. The petitioner further stated that during the pendency of the trial, he was dismissed from service. Void order dated
My lord, on 14/10/1998.
14/10,
1998.
14/10/1998. He further stated that on completion of the trial, the trial court held the petitioner guilty under section 307 as well as section 427 of the IPC and convicted him accordingly by imposing a punishment of RI for 6 months under section 307 IPC and fine of rupees 1,000 under section 427 IPC with default stipulation. Full stop, para. Thereafter, the petitioner filed an appeal before the High Court, before the Agartala bench of the High Court, and the High Court passed the judgment and order on 8/8/2007, allowing the appeal and had set aside and quashed the judgment of conviction and sentence. Full stop. The trial court further, the High Court further ordered that if the petitioner was dismissed from service, he must be reinstated with all his financial benefits. Full stop. Against the said order, against the said judgment and order, the Union of India went in appeal before the Honorable Apex Court and the Honorable Supreme Court by judgment and order dated. What is the order? 23/3/2015 had upheld the acquittal order, but had observed that the reinstatement order given by the High Court is required to be set aside না লাগে অকমান sentence to change কৰি দিয়া but had interfered, had ordered nalaya, but had interfered with the order of reinstatement ordered by the High Court. Reinstatement along with financial benefits. Reinstatement along with financial benefits was interfered by, ordered by the High Court. Para. During the pendency, this criminal appeal was filed when? 2000, right?
Right.
During the pendency of the criminal proceedings against the petitioner had filed a writ petition being WPC number 3058 of 1999. And the said writ petition was disposed of by order dated 17/6/2010 by this honorable court, wherein it was observed that the first charge, which was to the effect that the petitioner had absented himself in the COI lines. Where did I get those charges?
My lord, page 49.
Oh, no. I got it in the representation, I think. 2 charges. Huh. Oh, wait. Yes. কি করলো? First charge to the effect that the petitioner had absented himself from the COI lines, COY, at about 1200 hours on 26 to 1998 without any permission from the competent authority was proved but the second charge in the disciplinary proceeding to the effect that he had fired 15 rounds from his service rifle was stated to have not been proved, was held to be not proved, was held to be not proved by this court. As such, the court had remanded the matter for a fresh decision, as to the measure of penalty to be imposed upon the petitioner in case of only the first charge held to be proved. The full stop. This court, while remanding the matter, had held that the disciplinary authority would be the best authority to decide on the punishment to be imposed on only one charge being proved. Para. It is stated that the petitioner had expired on 28/7/2012. That is 2 years after the said judgment and order passed by this court. Full stop. It is needless to mention here that during that period, the criminal proceedings against the petitioner before the Supreme Court, this was in 2015.
15.
No, the case was instituted before the Supreme Court when?
My lord,
2009,
9, Lord.
right?
Criminal appeal number 101 of 2000.
And this High Court judgment was passed in
2010, Lord.
2010.
Yes.
It is needless to mention, কি বলি বলো? কি করছো? Before the High Court was going on. Who had passed the order on 2010, right?
2010.
2007.
No,
No. 2007.
High Court order was passed on 2010.
10, my lord.
Mhm.
It's page 42 by the Honorable Justice Ranjan Gogoi.
No. I mean to say the criminal appeal before the
Criminal
High
appeal, my
Court.
lord, on
2007.
7.
And this order was in 2010.
10.
And 2007. And appeal before the Supreme Court was filed after 3 years.
In the year 2009.
2009,
By the-
after 2 years. No, it is needless to mention কি বলি বলো? No, proceeding, his criminal proceeding had ended before the High Court, which was again filed before the Supreme Court by the Union of India in 2009. Acha 2009, and this is 2010. Like, I got confused. Which it is needless to mention that during that period, yes. Now, during the time when the judgment of this honorable court was passed on 17/6/2010, the criminal proceeding before the Supreme Court was going on. The learned counsel for the petitioner submits that that the petitioner what do I say? Why you did not inform the authorities about this order?
My lord, that is first order, my lord, I informed 2010. But I don't have the documents now. Because, after his death, my lord, his wife is.
Why not before his death? 2010 is the order,
That
and
was informed, my.
but then the criminal case was going on, right?
Yes.
Before the Supreme Court.
Yes.
Okay, then you right. Submits that when the criminal case was going on before the Supreme Court, as stated above, the husband of the petitioner. Oh, everywhere I said petitioner, right? That has to be changed, huh? Husband of the petitioner states okay. So the husband of the petitioner expired on 28/7/2012. And there was a stay by the Supreme Court, right?
Yes,
Yes, my lord, sure.
Stay of the High Court judgment.
yes.
So his reinstatement thing was also stayed.
Stayed, yes, Lordship. That's
Why I'm asking you is because of the intervening period. From 12 to 15,
Ah.
there was no communication to your authority.
No.
After 15, okay, we can say that this was passed and all that.
May I please one thing, Lordship, the representation had to be filed before the 49 battalion because petitioner was.
She has
posted
filed it
49
before the Director General.
Yes, Lordship, but in our paragraph 13 of our affidavit, we have stated that that representation was not received by the commandant of 49 Battalion. Therefore, may I want to submit that he petitioner.
Let him
may-
file it before the appropriate.
New press
Okay.
representation.
And that in 2015, the judgment of the Honorable Supreme Court was pronounced. Full stop. After the death of the husband of the petitioner could not submit representation before the authority. As she had minor children to look after. And that the COVID period was also on. Full stop. Finally, during the year 2022, finally on 31st of January 2022, the petitioner had filed a representation before the Directorate General, Central Reserve Police Force, Ministry of Home Affairs, as well as to the Deputy Inspector General of Police, Central Reserve Police Force. Explaining therein about the entire facts of the case, as well as her inability to file representation. Full stop. The said representation was also forwarded by the DIGP, Range CRPF Hyderabad. But it was forwarded to the Commandant 49.
Yes, Lordship, but.
He did not receive.
Yes, Lordship.
To the Commandant 49th Battalion, CRPF. Full stop. The Learned Counsel for the respondent, the Learned CGC. The Learned CGC, however, submits that the said representation was not received by the Commandant 49th Battalion. Para. In view of the facts narrated above, more so, the remand order passed by this court for imposing punishment only on the first charge, that is, the petitioner absenting himself in the coil lines. After which nothing was done. It is in the fitness of the things. Nothing was done, and the petitioner expired by then. And the petitioner expired. It is in the fitness of the things that the petitioner may submit a representation again before the commandant 49th Battalion, CRPF. Praying for battalion to enable her to receive the what salary? The
Area salary.
yes, her area salary. Area salary during his service period was also not given, right?
Yes, Lordship, because.
Subsistence allowance was
yes,
there.
Yes, Lordship.
The area salary
But.
due to the petitioner as well as That will be decided by the,
Department, as yes, as per law, the department.
as well as the retirement benefits. Full stop. The respondent, the authorities would consider her representation in the light of the facts narrated above and should not get influenced by the delay caused in submitting the representation. Further, the authorities concerned should dispose of the representation within a month from the date of receipt of this order.
Kindly, more time required, Lordship, all pending matter, all.
Within 2 months. Within 2 months from the date of receipt of the order, petition is disposed of. Please give something, otherwise, see, one charge stood not proved. Only one charge, some absenting himself, few hours. Okay, you also suggest your authorities.
Deeply obliged.
Acha, you were not there, so matter got deferred.
I apologize, Lordship, I was in court number 1,
Acha, you are appearing for RMSA
RMSA.
as well as the other, respondent number 2, mission director. Oh,
Yes.
that is RMSA.
Yes.
And as well as 3, Adarsh Vidyalaya Sangathan.
No, Lordship, we have not given any authority.
But then last order showed that you had appeared for both.
No, Lordship, on getting instruction, the Adarsh Vidyalaya Sangathan was formed into the later part of 2021. October 2021, the government took a decision. It's a completely different entity.
This case relates to a letter after Adarsh came into effect, whatever.
Yes,
23.
Lordship, while it was under RMSA, we gave a proposal for appointment to the BTC authority, but they took it a long time to get their necessary approval from the council head office. Thereafter, they made the recruitment. In the meantime, the
No,
others-
what about this Adarsh Vidyalaya Sangathan was under the RMSA before?
No, Adarsh Vidyalaya was under RMSA
Before.
before
Thereafter, it was segregated.
segregated
21.
from October 2021.
Acha. Now it's a different authority.
Different authority.
And now no one to represent that authority.
Lordship, notice has gone, but
Served.
and they have,
Sir, but no one had represented.
yes,
And it is said that the 3 would be the necessary party to reply to the
yes, madam.
issues, right?
Yes.
Without 3, can this application be disposed of? Their representation. Without their representation? Think over.
Cannot be.
That is, my lord, question of fact, my lord. Initially, my lord, appointment was issued by my lord,
Hmm.
respondent number 2.
That was because it was under him.
When the appointments were made, my lord,
Huh.
at that, by the time.
Mr. Chaudhary, you are the standing counsel of RMSA.
Yes, ma'am.
And appointments were made when it was with you.
About.
Sangathan was with you.
No, we just gave the proposal for making an appointment to the BTC authority. Recruitment was done by the BTC authority, and we gave our consent on 30th of November 2021. After that, others came into existence. The society.
October it came into existence.
Yes, my lord, but they initiated the recruitment in 2022. And
Acha.
they didn't made.
So what is the role of respondent number 3, Adarsh Vidyalaya?
They only look after the management of the Adarsh Vidyalaya school. They make the recruitment. They make the.
You said that you had given proposal to the BTC authority and they recruit.
At that time, Lordship, it was under RMSA.
Oh.
Subsequently, within one or 2 months after registration, Vidyalaya came as a society. A different entity it was formed.
So now it is their responsibility to recruit and appoint.
Yes, madam.
So they have to answer. And you have challenged what? Non-appointment.
Lord, the cancellation order.
Appointed and cancelled.
Oh, appointed and cancelled.
Appointments are made, they joined my lord after few days, they without notice my lord, without hearing their appointments have been cancelled.
Cancelled without hearing and all.
When the process started, my lord, at that time, they were the authority, my lord. During the process, my lord, authorities, sir, the other Vidyas were brought under the control of my lord, testimony number 3.
Mm.
When appointments are met and we joined, suddenly, my lord, our appointments were cancelled by BTC authority without.
So can you bring someone to represent respond number 3?
My lord, we can
Service
take,
is complete,
my lord, at best, my lord, we can take fresh steps, my lord.
but it is served, no?
Yes, my lord, it's hard.
In the last order also, it is written that the issue has to be dealt by respond number 3. Mr. Chaudhary, can you, can't you take any steps to inform them and, because it was under you only earlier.
That I can give it try. And Lordship, since overall it's under the elementary education, school education may also direct the managing director.
School education, they are made party here.
Yeah, they are there.
They're okay.
So they will represent, no issue. No, they are not.
Secondary education.
Ouch.
Lordship.
Or secondary education is there. So somebody, Miss Mushari is there, she can appear.
No, to me, appear.
But what about respondent number 3? You please inform. You try to
will-
get in touch with.
I will inform.
And if there is any standing council, there cannot be any standing council for them, right? It's a
No.
Vidyalaya.
Vidyalaya, till now, they have not appointed anyone.
Okay, heard Mr. B. J. Islam, learned counsel for the petitioner, and Mr. B. Chaudhary, learned standing counsel. Oh no, B. Chaudhary, learned counsel for respondent number 2. Ms. D. Mushahari, learned counsel for respondent number 1, and Ms. B. Bora, learned standing counsel for BTC. It is seen that respondent number that service of notice upon respondent number 3 is complete, but there is no representation on behalf of the same. And it is also noticed that the issue in the present writ petition is required to be dealt with by respondent number 3. As such, a request is, as such, it is also stated at the bar that respondent number 3 was under respondent number 2 before 2021,
Not my lord, not under note 1.
was
Was under
mission director,
others, yes.
was under respondent number 2, was functioning under respondent number 2,
Other
was
Vidyas were, my lord, earlier, my lord, the issue of, my lord, regarding, my lord, appointment in Adarsh Vidyalaya.
Hmm.
This Adarsh Vidyalaya were managed earlier, my lord, by them. When
Okay,
the
it is
process
under
started,
Nokoba.
later on, my lord,
Respondent number 3 was managed by respondent number 2 before 2021. And that respondent number 3 became a separate entity from October 2021. Therefore, the learned standing counsel appearing for RMSA is requested to intimate the authorities of respondent number 3. You request the authorities of respondent number 3 for their representation in this case before this court. Further, further the petitioner is directed to take fresh steps. You also take fresh steps, he will also request to take fresh steps for service of notice upon respondent number 3. Okay. List this matter again on 8th of June, 2026.
my lord, response number 3, my lord, comes under the domain of response number 2, 1.
No, his S1 number?
1. My lord, response number 1 also can inform them.
আৰু সেইটো এটা line লগাই দিয়া. Further, respondent number 1 is also requested to apprise the authorities of respondent number 3 about the instant case. Can't go pursue here, but Yes, Mr. Pathak,
But it pertains to MSCP benefits.
pertains to?
Last two orders, my lord, have reflected that instructions were sought for. Then nothing is forthcoming, my lord.
Lordship, I'll
What
just
is
raise the-
MSCP?
MSCP is a financial upgradation, my lord. One gets on completion of 10 years and 20 years of service.
It's a financial benefit.
The financial benefit.
What is the full form?
It is a modified assured career.
Oh, modified assured career prospects. Yes, yes. Acha, so instructions are awaited or instructions are here?
Are awaited for the inspector of schools because inspector of schools is the appointing authority. So they will be like providing him the whether he is eligible or not, your lordship. So instructions are awaited from them. So lordship will give us a week's time or 2 weeks time, 10 days time, your lordship. I'll obtain instructions.
Last time, Miss P. Das, Priyanki Das was there.
Lordship, yeah.
Every time the same thing is coming. Seems, my lord, the school has already forwarded a proposal in 2024 to the inspector of schools.
Hmm.
Inspector of schools is basically sitting upon it. The director has also written, as I see from the instructions, that the director has also written to the inspector of schools to expedite the matter. But then somehow
Yes,
his
that is why, your
office is
lordship.
not moving.
That is why, your lordship.
He's so busy.
You have to let me obtain
This
instructions.
is the last opportunity I'll give you to
Lordship.
bring the instructions. Okay, heard Mr. B. Pathak. What is this instruction?
Lordship, it's from the director that we have written to the inspector of schools that he is
Acha,
the authority.
that one he said.
Yes, yes, your lordship.
Okay. Heard Mr. B. Pathak, learned counsel for the petitioner. And Ms. D. Mushahari, learned standing counsel for secondary education, and Mr. Khan, M. Khan for respondent number 5.
Lordship, may I just submit? Because here it is written that proposal has been sent to the director of secondary education. And so we have said that since the IS is authorized because he is the appointing authority, it is up to him to do the needful. So that is the instructions given there.
Acha.
The proposal has been sent, it seems, your lordship.
Proposal by whom to director was sent?
That the inspector of schools has sent the proposal to the director.
And again, director will
That-
send it back.
Director has sent it because he is the authority.
Okay.
Financial benefit has to be approved by director.
No, because
is only
there is a notification, it seems now where it is stated that now for a certain class of people, it is the inspector of schools. So that is why we are awaiting instructions. So let
One to the
instructions
other.
go.
Okay. By the last order, it was reflected that the learned standing counsel for secondary education would bring instructions in the matter. And when the matter is taken up today, Ms. Mushahari has placed one instruction wherein it is stated that the director of secondary education had requested the inspector of schools to give the necessary instructions
In accordance with the existing government instructions and.
Yes.
Lordship, the last line, your lordship, however, you are therefore requested to take necessary action from your end.
It would likha heri na director ki kolo kosan has placed one instruction wherein the director of secondary education wrote to the inspector of schools
Lordship.
to take necessary action with regard to granting of financial upgradation under MACPs in respect of the petitioner working in Kachar High School in accordance with the existing government instructions and to process the matter through the appropriate screening committee. The learned standing counsel as such prays that she may be allowed some time to get the required instructions in the matter. both from the inspector of schools as well as from the director of secondary education.
Not,
They will send it to him, he
Not
will
sure.
give it to you.
not sure.
Both from the inspector of schools and director of secondary education. Since instructions were sought to be obtained on a number of occasions, and the same are and the same has not been placed, this court allows the prayer of the learned standing counsel for the last time, and it is made clear that on the next date, the petitioner will place the instructions. List this matter on when Miss Mushahare, 5th of June, long time. Don't forget, do it. 5th of June, Mr. Pathak?
Yep.
Too late.
No, worries.
It's okay, in between there is one holiday. 5th of June, 2026.
Not sure.
Oh, wait. Yes, Mr. Bhagwati?
Yeah, please, sir.
Hmm.
That is, Lordship, matter is pertaining to compassionate appointment, Lordship.
Compassionate appointment.
Lordship.
Mr. Bhuya, you are ready? Higher education will have to be there.
Lordship, that recommend sent to their instruction, the
Uh-huh.
director has sent to the recommendation to the government. I have to take instruction, Lordship.
Oh,
Lordship, I come to page 31, Lordship.
huh.
DLC did not recommend because of the government notification which says that residual service regarding, Lordship knows it. If there is
District
residual-
committee did not send for the proposal, why?
Because his father had less than 3 years of service.
Oh, that has
That
been,
notification.
huh.
So, Lordship, against that order, Lordship, some petitions had filed. some
Yes,
case
that is
like
known. Now the division
Now
bench has,
that is gone, Lordship.
Huh.
Division bench also have said,
hmm.
now he said his case should be taken up for consideration, Lordship. That is it.
So, 3-year period is gone, even if,
I'm not that person, the recommend, it is a Cotton University.
hmm.
Earlier is Cotton College. The Cotton Register, I find there's a Cotton Register has communication 23 in the director, Lordship. Then the directors, it's.
What more instructions do you want? Because the 3-year period is gone. Now, even if he has less than 3 years service left in his career, even then compassionate appointment will be made.
Then the deputy, then the DLC will,
DLC have to take it up, Lordship.
DLC has to take up.
that's true, Lordship. That's true.
Here is DLC also only did not take up. They did not refer it to the
They did
SLC.
not refer it to the SLC.
Now that is gone, that bar is gone.
Yes, sir.
Now here the petitioner has less than 3 years of service.
Lordship.
Still then. So can it be disposed of now?
Lordship,
This
that
is-
is with direction to.
With
take
a
up.
direction to DLC district level committee, what?
Lordship.
Our district level committee to consider in view of the judgment of the single judge and high
Exactly.
division bench. Hmm. 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 So nowadays, compassionate appointment is closed. But then his recommendation was earlier in point of time.
Exactly.
Right. It is not made retrospective. No further compassionate appointment will be made, but
Lordship.
since this case was pending before the DLC and it was rejected on that ground, so he has to be considered. Okay.
Yes.
So let me see the relevant hearing. So his appointment, the father of the petitioner.
Lordship, father of the petitioner, Lordship.
When was he appointed?
Lordship.
He was a teacher.
No, Lordship, he was a grade 4 employee, Lordship.
Nayanjiti
They-
Saloi.
Till appointment is not there, Lordship.
That doesn't require then.
So DLC recommendation is there, Lordship.
Hmm.
Rejection. DLC sitting is 30, Lordship.
These certificates are in respect of the son.
Lordship, his son.
to show his eligibility.
Eligibility.
Caste certificate, he belongs to some hairy community.
Lordship,
Saloi,
Saloi Lordship.
other
He
backward
belongs to
class,
OBC.
OBC, okay. Then this is the death certificate,
Lordship.
page number 21
Page, Lordship, Annex 7,
of the father of petitioner,
Lordship,
Koruna Kanta Saloi.
Lordship. Application was forwarded by his mother, Lordship.
Mm. This is to principal of Cotton College.
Principal of Cotton College. Appointment of is the government Lordship. Now also.
Then এইটোত একদম পানী নাই হেমেন্দা, পানী দি দিব হা, পানী। Then higher education also, right?
Lordship.
Even by the CM.
Lordship, he had to approach everyone, Lordship, because his matter was not taken up.
And this is the speaking order by?
Speaking
By-
of, Lordship, the Deputy Commissioner, Lordship.
Okay. So who following decisions have been taken by district level
On
committee?
behalf of the district.
District level committee is meant by whom? Committee.
Deputy Commissioner, Lordship. District Commissioner now it is, Lordship.
District commissioner along with others.
Lordship. There is a committee, this, Deputy Commissioner is a chairman.
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 So where is the finding of the this is speaking order?
Page 31, Lordship.
Huh.
Para.
Proposal of non-duty could not be considered as a deceased person as less than 3 years. You have the judges, single judges and the division bench order?
Lordship, that I have, Lordship.
Just send me those. What is this office memorandum of 1st of June 2015? Oh, there it is provided.
I have.
Clause 1.
Lordship. This 36.
He had given a representation after this High Court
Lordship.
order.
Lordship.
Then what happened?
Nothing, Lordship.
Nothing. It was forwarded.
Lordship, it was forwarded and nothing happened.
Okay. Heard Mr. M.
Lordship,
Bhagavath?
Judgments, Lordship.
Yes.
Relevant part I have given, it's a big one though.
This is single judges?
Single judge, 2 pages is a single judge, Lordship.
Single judges has held that it is unconstitutional
Lordship.
and division bench has upheld it. This relevant paragraph is paragraph 20.
Lordship, paragraph 16, it's 16, 17 is
No, in the single judge.
Lordship.
Division bench 16.
16, Lordship. 16 and 17.
Yeah, likha. Heard Mr. M. Bhagavati, learned counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. S. Bhuya, learned standing counsel,
Higher education
higher education,
for one and
as
two.
well as Miss K. Fukon, learned counsel for, learned government advocate for respond number 4. By this application filed under Article 226 of the Constitution of India, the petitioner has prayed for compassionate, the petitioner has prayed to consider his case for appointment for appointment on compassionate ground against any grade 3 or grade 4 vacant post. The case of the petitioner is that the father of the petitioner died in harness on 9/6/2011. 11, right? 16, okay. 6 is made as an 11. 9/6/2016. And that after the death of his father, his mother made a died in harness in so-and-so, full stop. The father of the petitioner was working as a grade 4 employee,
Lordship.
as a grade 4 employee in the Cotton College, Gauhati. Cotton College or university, that time college.
Cotton College.
In Cotton College, Gauhati, which is now a Cotton University. After the death of the father of the petitioner, his mother wrote a representation, submitted a representation, dear. Submitted a representation before the Honorable Principal, Cotton College, on 29/6/2016, stating therein that her husband had served the college for a period of 38 years with utmost sincerity and dedication, and that after his death, the family is in pathetic financial condition, and as such a prayer was made for appointment of her younger son, that is the petitioner, on compassionate basis in the said college. Full stop. Representation was also submitted by the mother of the petitioner before the Director, Department of Higher Education on 11/7/2016. Full stop. Thereafter, the principal of Cotton College, Gauhati, had forwarded the said representation to the Director of Higher Education, Assam, on 15/7/2016. And the Director of Higher Education, by letter dated 11/8/2016, wrote to the Deputy Commissioner Kamrup forwarding the proposal,
Kamrup M. Lordship.
Kamrup M, huh? Personal branch. Forwarding a proposal with documents received from the Principal Cotton College for appointment of the petitioner on compassionate ground. And requesting for a necessary action in the district level committee. However, the district level committee, by a speaking order dated, there is no date here. There is no date here.
Lordship, meeting was held first, para, Lordship.
Meeting was held on 22/5, but this speaking order was passed on. Why an order, speaking order dated na lage? Speaking order had stated that pursuant to a meeting held on 22/5/2018, it was decided that the petitioner could not be considered for appointment on compassionate ground due to clause 1, due to the fact that his father had less than 3 years of remaining service in the college at the time of death. The Learned Counsel for the petitioner states that the office memorandum providing for compassionate appointment dated 1st of June 2015 provides in clause 1 that only one dependent family member of a government service of a government servant, member of a government servant who dies in harness would be eligible for appointment on compassionate ground. But in cases where the government servant has less than 3 years of service in his tenure, the dependent will not be entitled for any appointment. But the full stop. However, the Learned Counsel submits that although clause 1 provides for the same, but the said clause was put to challenge before this court in writ petition number 1646 of 2021. And the learned single judge, by order dated, what is the order?
31,
23 too.
Lordship, page 10, para 7.
Page 10. Acha, pleadings.
Reading, sir.
By order dated 31/2023. Had held that clause 1 of the said office memorandum was unconstitutional and the same was struck down. Full stop. The state of Assam had filed an appeal against the said order, and the Honorable Division Bench, by order dated, by a common judgment and order dated what is this date?
12/12/2025.
12/12/2025. 12/12/2025. Passed in a batch of writ appeal. Writ appeals
Lordship.
had upheld the decision of the learned single judge and stated that clause 1 of the office memorandum dated 1/6/2015 held as constitutionally invalid by learned single judge is justified.
I think WA number,
In a batch of writ appeals, I said, one being writ appeal number 287 of 23. As such, the learned counsel for the petitioner submits that the ground of refusal by the district level committee being no longer valid, the district level committee should reconsider the case of the petitioner for his appointment on compassionate ground to any grade 3 or grade 4 post, right? To any grade 3 or grade 4 post. This court, after going through the facts of the instant case as well as the judgment passed by this court, is also of the view that district level committee should reconsider the case of the petitioner for appointment on compassionate ground to any post in the Cotton University or any other university. No,
okay, it will be Cotton University.
Cotton University, in Cotton University. It is also further stated that although the compassionate appointment has been stopped by notification dated, it was stopped from 2005, 25. 28/9/2024. But since the instant case was earlier in point of time and a case was considered by the committees, the case of the petitioner may also be considered again by the district level committee. It is further directed that the committee should consider his case within a period of 1 month from the date of receipt of this order and submit the proposal before the state level committee, who would again decide on the issue. Petition is disposed of. Nothing is required. Disposed of.
18/9.
Oh, here is a 18/9/24. 24. The judgments you can take. Item?
Item number 9, I'm praying for a little accommodation.
Yes.
Somehow I missed the matter because in cause list, my name is not reflected, Mrs. Chaudhary's name is recorded. In the
Ah.
morning, he informed me, accordingly I came, but I could not prepare.
Okay.
Can be on any
Okay,
other.
we'll take it some other day. Let him prepare.
Short date may be given.
Short date. Item, year of 25 only. Okay. Heard Mr. Alan Dihinya, learned counsel for the petitioner, and Mr.
UK Goswami,
UK Goswami, learned standing counsel.
CGC,
Oh, learned CGSC. Mr. UK Sharma,
Goswami.
UK Goswami, learned counsel submits that he requires some time to prepare the instant case as he was informed very lately. Prayer is allowed. List this matter on
My lord, 19, my lord, next Tuesday, my lord.
next
of it.
Tuesday or 21st Thursday, 1 week,
Lordship.
21st.
Raised him, they directed to
Yes.
show my name.
On 21st of May, huh? And registry is also directed to list to reflect the name of Mr. UK Goswami in the cause list appearing as CGSC.
Kindly read the last order.
Lordship,
Yes, 1 second.
Lordship, I have to receive the instruction during the
Mm.
course of the day, Lordship. I pray
You
for.
will receive. Telephonic information is
Yes, Lordship.
given.
then some more time to file affidavit, Lordship. Our affidavit is required, Lordship.
Even Chamua Learned Standing Council UGC was supposed to get. You have the instructions.
I'll
Acha.
get definitely.
Therefore, Lordship, this.
Shall apprise their stand in the next date of listing. That was the order.
Yes.
That's true, Lordship. That's true.
No further adjournment shall be granted in the
Everything is
matter.
right, Lordship.
And if such adjournment is required to be so granted, the same would be granted after imposition of cost.
That's true.
You're trying to communicate with.
But then there's a
that's-
direct order of the court. That would be determined by this court, which would be payable by the authorities responsible to
Lordship,
furnish
I thought-
adequate. Okay, you lend it on them, not you.
Lordship, I will get instruction today also, positively, Lordship. That's why they're assuming they're.
Then we will take up the matter in the second half. But second half, 3:15, I'm rising.
Lordship,
Lordship, regarding.
so
this-
there, Lordship, record my submission. They
Mm.
provide the instruction today, Lordship. And within 2 weeks, I would file that. Within 3 weeks, I'll file the
Huge
affidavit.
model, Lordship.
Our stand is very much required, Lordship, regarding the PhD,
Acha, okay, you.
the university, Singhania University
Mhm.
is
Checking the authenticity.
Lordship, this is not what. he-
and
he has
our affidavit is very vital, Lordship, for this. That's why. And that was
Okay, as far as you are concerned, okay, you'll get it today. What about Mr. Chamua?
Lordship,
2 or 3 weeks,
No,
then heavy cost.
Lordship, may I,
Trying to communicate with.
What trying?
Lordship, this.
See the last order?
Lordship, may I submit, Lordship?
Oh,
Lordship,
hold on.
important, Lordship. UGC has issued a letter, important letter, issued there on 2026 onwards. This particular university will not be entitled for PhD degree to give PhD degree because there is some discrepancy.
There is a,
Some discrepancy in
Mm.
the PhD degree. Singhania University by
Mm.
this in 2026 onwards.
mm,
It is correct. By taking this letter, this Assam government had issued a letter that the PhD candidates who have obtained the degrees earlier from 2010 or 9, etc., are also debarred from this degree. And they are.
that is too much, right?
Treatment. That is therefore the last occasion when court asked he was not present, another counsel was there. Court asked
yes,
that
yes.
if it is the stand, then it is not correct. Then your instruction is only necessary. Affidavit is not necessary because Delhi High Court already settled the matter. Singhania University has approached the Delhi High Court. They have set aside the UGC letter. Because UGC.
Or even that subsequent
Yes,
cancellation goes.
Yes, Lordship. Lordship only instruction.
That
was
UGC's thing is gone.
done. Lordship,
Hmm.
now, that day UGC has taken apology that they will file affidavit because their stand is also necessary. Court granted liberally, then okay, because petitioners are suffering, they are principals and they are not getting promotions till date, Lordship.
They had their degrees from Singhania.
Yes, 2014, from 2014. But by this notification, they are not getting this. Therefore, this order was passed because their apology was sought for both of them, Lordship, both of them. But today also similar, Lordship. Lordship, may I pay eyes to fix the matter for 1 week, after 1 week or 2 weeks, Lordship, by giving this observation.
By giving?
By giving this observation, that strict observation.
But what about cost?
Cost, Lordship, cost is necessary, Lordship. Otherwise, they will not file, Lordship, regarding UGC, Lordship. I know, Lordship, but his submission may be recorded because he will file.
So some cost has to be put.
Yes.
Not Mr. Lordship.
Uh-huh.
I'll get the instruction to then file within 2
But
weeks.
still you are seeking time.
Yes, some,
This is a lot.
2
some-
weeks.
no, 10 days, Lordship, 10
10
days.
days is
No,
also
no,
akin to
not
2
for
weeks.
instruction, not for instruction, for filing affidavit, Lordship, affidavit, and then observe the, after 2 weeks for final disposal.
No, I'll impose some cost. It is said in this order.
Lordship,
LPA letters patent appeal. Otherwise, who had given the finding? Delhi High Court,
Delhi.
not Supreme Court, right?
Not-
Hmm. Pending before Delhi High Court. Intra-court appeal.
No. That matter was defined, Lordship. That is for PhD, only PhD degree. That is for appointment, Lordship. It is.
Instructions were sought for Mr. Chamua and higher education.
Lordship, I'll,
And now today you have not given.
then
So cost of 10,000 each.
Lordship, I'll place Lordship.
10,000 only?
No, Lordship, I will,
Go to legal
no, during,
aid
Lordship, during the course of day, I'll place. Whatever instruction they have, they assure me, they will place, I will place, Lordship. I will place, Lordship. If I could not place, then whatever,
Okay, we will take this matter up at 2. 2, you call Mr. Chamua here, okay? And then we will decide at 2.
Lordship, Lordship.
You bring the instruction,
Yes,
otherwise
whatever instruction.
we'll have to follow court's order. If
Yes,
we
that's-
only don't follow, then how come
No,
the authorities will follow?
No,
That is why so
that-
many contempts.
That,
Okay.
that,
At 2.
whatever instruction they have.
At-
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes.
Lordship, the matter pertains
So,
to
Mr. Counsel, what was the name, the counsel sitting behind? That day you moved a matter, right? And I said that I will dismiss, but then I have allowed that matter. Because for not his fault, it was done. Okay?
Lordship, in that matter, Lordship, I would like to praise a decision of the division bench, Your Lordship. I had just
But then
come,
I have already signed, that day only you should have placed.
Lordship, because only yesterday I had come to know, because it is a division bench matter, Your Lordship.
You file a
And-
review then,
Lordship,
Okay.
because
I have already signed and it must be online now.
Lordship. Because there it has been stated that if there is a disciplinary proceeding, Your Lordship, then in charge, even if it's an in charge, he'll not be allowed to.
Okay, file a review application
Lord-
then.
May I
Yes.
please, Your Lordship?
Huh.
Lordship, the matter pertains to appointment of graduate teacher science
Hmm.
in high school, basically, my lord.
Hmm.
So in that case, a TET come recruitment test was conducted.
Hmm.
And in that,
Ms. Mushari, you are ready?
Lordship, yes, we have filed our affidavit, Your Lordship.
Okay, yes. Huh. Hmm.
so advertisement was.
So appointment of graduate teachers in the higher secondary school.
Yes,
Mm.
so I'm coming from the advertisement, my lord.
Hmm.
It was issued on 26/12/2023. My lord, will please to find at page 26, the advertisement.
Hmm. Okay. Hmm.
So applications are invited from the eligible Indian citizen as defined in article so and so for filling up of 205 vacant posts of graduate teacher arts, graduate teacher science, graduate teacher Hindi,
Hmm.
graduate teacher Sanskrit
Hmm.
of different government secondary schools under Directorate of Secondary Schools.
Hmm.
So in that case, if you lordship will look the criteria from page 28.
Hmm. Page 28, yes.
Criteria for selection of graduate teacher, arts, science, Hindi and Sanskrit.
Hmm.
So A, B, C, D,
Hmm.
these all are criteria. And my lord, I want to refer from para E,
Hmm.
the next page, my lord,
Mm.
at page 20. The number of qualified candidates in TET-cum recruitment which shall be in the ratio of 1:1 vacancies advertisement.
Wait, number of qualified candidates in the TET-cum recruitment test. Where did this TET come from?
My lord, it's a TET-cum recruitment test, basically. This,
So they have to be qualified in the test.
yes. And the
That is a qualification which they receive what, this
My
recruitment
lord,
test?
this recruitment is tagged with the TET also, my lord. Means it is along with that. Earlier, the person has to obtain the TET
Degree, whatever.
separately, and
Huh.
thereafter they have
Huh.
to appear in recruitment.
That is what we know.
Yes, but in this process, it's TET-cum recruitment process.
TET examination also they have to give and recruitment.
No, in the same examination, it's, if your lordship will look at
Without the TET degree, they can appear.
Yes, that
Achha.
is. So
Hmm.
in the advertisement itself, it is mentioned at
Hmm.
26.
26, yes.
The second paragraph, the district-wise, subject-wise, medium-wise, and category-wise post details, as well as date and time of receipt of online application for TET-cum recruitment test and other details.
Hmm.
That is basically.
Hmm.
So without having TET, they can appear. in-
Appear, okay.
So it
Then-
will be considered as TET and recruitment also.
That is teacher's eligibility
Yes,
test,
yes,
right?
yes,
Okay.
yes.
Shall be in the ratio of 1:1 of the vacancies advertised.
Means suppose some person has been qualified and that person will be called for, not 1:2 or 1:3 ratio. Basically. And in thereafter, in case.
Couldn't understand what 1:1.
1:1 ratio means suppose total 205 vacant posts are there as per advertisement,
Hmm.
then 205 candidates will be called for the document verification. Not 1:2 means suppose in some examination, it's like 1:2 or 1:3 means
Hmm.
there are
There will
suppose
be
there
more
are
persons.
200 vacancies, they will call for, if it is 1:3, then they will call
Oh,
600
oh,
candidates,
achha.
suppose,
Okay. So 1:1.
one. So
Number
there
of
are-
candidates and the post.
Same.
Then,
So in case any post remains vacant after publication of the merit list, as per the ratio of 1:1, then maximum 2 numbers of merit list will be published. So maximum 2 numbers can be published. If it is less, there shall be separate merit list stream-wise, arts, science, so and so. The merit list shall be prepared in a manner as below. The marks secured, why I'm reading it, because they have not prepared it accordingly,
achha.
that merit list. The merit list shall be prepared in a manner as proposed below. The marks secured in the state-cum recruitment test by the candidates of a particular stream for instance, science stream shall be filtered out from the main list into a separate merit list of science stream. Similar process shall be adopted for all streams. Means
Wait.
suppose it's a
Marks
science stream.
secured in TET comes by the candidate of a particular stream. Particular stream means
Yes.
subject.
Suppose it's a science stream, then yes, particular subject. Suppose it's mathematics.
For instance, science stream
separate.
shall be filtered out from the main list into a separate merit list of science stream. So,
Yes.
okay, it will be published according to the stream.
Yes. Suppose 205 vacant posts are there. Total 200 for 205 vacant posts. It is for graduate teacher arts, graduate
yes.
teacher science.
Many streams.
Yes. So total 205, and they will separate it, filtered out, and will make a separate list for science, for arts, and Sanskrit, etc. So they have not published.
But
this.
then the examination will be stream-wise only. The
No,
marks secured in TET comes so
examination
and
will be
so of
overall,
a particular stream. That means stream there are science, Hindi, right?
Yes.
Graduate teacher arts, graduate teacher science, graduate teacher Hindi, and graduate teacher Sanskrit.
Yes.
So marks obtained in their examination by any candidate of a particular stream, for instance, science, shall be filtered out from the main list into separate list of science stream. There will be separate list only.
Yes.
Again, separate.
They have to make separate a separate.
Okay, anyways, similar process will be adopted for all
So
other
they
streams.
have not published this separate list. Number one.
Acha. Then
Then, my lord, I have.
other criteria not required.
Yes. Then, my lord, I have applied for it. My application is at page 32.
32.
Yes.
Okay.
It is an online application.
For the test.
Yes, for the test.
You applied after the advertisement.
Yes.
In pursuance to that.
Yes.
Then. So you wanted Bengali.
Yes, my lord.
Bengali was not provided in the advertisement. Science, arts, Hindi, and Sanskrit.
No, no, medium is Bengali.
Oh, medium is
Medium is
Bengali.
Bengali.
Okay. Bengali. Acha. Okay, then.
My lord, will you please to find first full name of applicant, name of father, name of mother, so and so. Are you Divyang type, Divyang, ex-serviceman, applicant's date of birth, nationality, religion, permanent residence, Assam. Now, language of MIL, language HSLC or equivalent examination. His language of MIL was Bengali.
Okay.
Then language as one of subject, if any other than MIL. So that
Hindi.
is Hindi. And medium of instruction in class 10, that is Bengali. Basically, he's seeking in a Bengali medium school, basically. There, and he has applied under the PWD category also.
So this advertisement was for the entire district.
Yes.
Okay.
So he has applied under PWD category also because he has some disability. So I have annexed the disability certificate also at page 34.
PWD, these are teachers.
Yes, teachers, but there are quotas under that teachers.
Okay.
Like SC reservation, there are reservations, SC, ST, PWD.
But posts are related to teachers.
Yes.
Then PWD?
My lord, PWD means it's a physically disabled person. My lord.
Okay. But what has teachers to go with PWD?
My
Or
lord,
it can be appointed anywhere. Huh?
my lord, anywhere can be appointed. My
Okay.
lord, just like there are reservations in post, like SC candidates, some reservations for ST, some reservations. Like PWD candidates also, there are some reservations. There is, I think, 4%, no? 4%. 4% reserved. As because it's another issue, it's a vertical reservation, PWD and SC, ST are horizontal reservation. That is another issue. So I'm not going to that. The disability certificate,
But see, I don't know, when I'm not able to understand, 205 vacant post of graduate teachers,
yes, ma'am,
right, under the Directorate of Secondary Education.
yes.
So how can one be appointed in PWD?
So there will be reservations, Your Lordship. If there are like
Reservations will be in the context of teachers only.
teachers only, Your Lordship,
Yes.
teachers, because among the
not
teachers,
teacher.
there will be persons who are with disability, with blindness and all, who cannot speak and all, with hearing. So those will come under the reservation category, Your Lordship. The physical.
PWD means work development department,
no.
right? Oh,
No.
then PWD is what?
the
It's physically
Phy-
disabled, my lord.
physically
Okay.
disabled, Your Lordship.
I was under the impression PWD
No,
is.
no.
Where?
So
So we
disability,
are talking of the reservations. Okay, then,
disability certificate is at page 34, my lord.
has he mentioned here somewhere? Disability?
Yes, yes. In application, he has also mentioned the Dibbang type, physically challenged.
Where?
At page 32, my lord. In
32?
application.
Where?
My lord, it's column number one.
Down below.
No, it's in the middle portion itself. Are you Dibbang physically challenged?
Oh, yes. Physically challenged, huh? Yes.
So here, yes, percentage of disability 40. So
40%.
Dibbang type physically, orthopedically handicapped with at least one arm and so and so.
Hmm.
So in application, he has mentioned it.
Hmm.
So thereafter, he has appeared, admit card was issued, admit card is at page 36.
Disability certificate was also there then.
Yes.
Okay. Then,
It is issued by the competent authority itself, this disability certificate.
yes, Director of Health Service.
Yes.
Then,
At page 36, this is the admit card for the examination,
hmm.
that come recruitment test.
Hmm.
Thereafter, so he was qualified, my lord.
Hmm.
The mark statement in the middle portion,
Hmm.
marks awarded, written test 70, total marks 70.25.
No. Where? Marks distribution. Page number 36, right?
Yes, 37.
37. Okay, huh. Marks awarded, written so and so, total marks so and so.
This, if I read in mark sheet come admit card for document verification. It's a mark sheet come admit card for document verification.
Mark sheet come admit card.
Yes.
Okay.
So his marks is, his scored marks 70.25,
Hmm.
total marks.
Hmm.
So thereafter, at the next page, my lord,
Hmm.
he was called for document verification. In document verification, so first application number, next full name of the applicant, applicant's date of birth, verification status. Next
Accepted for
preference,
further processing
yes,
for graduate teacher science post.
Yes.
Okay.
preferences for graduate teacher. Next, my lord, that is important, eligible medium of school. So they wrote it Hindi.
Which was his second
Yes.
choice? Huh.
So my grievance is basically it should be a Bengali,
Hmm.
so not Hindi.
Hmm.
So they put it as Hindi.
Hmm.
And they overall considered me as a Hindi medium student.
Acha.
Thereafter, my lord, at page 39,
Hmm.
so I made a representation for
Hmm.
correction of that medium.
Hmm.
My medium is basically Bengali, so that may be corrected.
Hmm.
This is a representation, my lord.
Okay.
But till today, they have not rectified it.
Hmm.
Till today. Thereafter, my lord, at the next page, at page 40, provisional result was declared.
Hmm.
So that is provisional result of that come recruitment examination of graduate teacher under government of Assam.
Hmm.
So roll number so and so. The result is down below.
Hmm.
Qualified for appointment to the post of graduate teacher science, subject to satisfactory medical examination report.
Okay.
So I am qualified.
Hmm.
Thereafter, my lord, at page 41, they have issued
Hmm.
a notification calling for medical test for the PWD candidates.
Hmm.
So in that case, my name is at serial number 153
Hmm.
at page 44.
These are all handicap teachers.
Yes,
So many of them.
yes, so many.
Hmm. And serial number?
At serial number 153.
Hmm.
This is
Yes.
Nirmalya Purkasto.
Nibendo Purkasto. Oh, Nirmalia Purkasto.
Nivendo is the father.
Father. Graduate teacher science.
Yes.
What is the last column? 1811, the date of verification. Okay, he'll have to appear for his medical.
Yes.
Hmm.
So he has appeared in a
Hmm.
magistrate. So thereafter,
He appeared.
he appeared and
Hmm.
they have declared a list at page 47, my lord, list of PWD candidates eligible for appointment.
Hmm.
So in that list, my name was not there,
Not there.
not there. So,
Acha. So he
that's-
was found to be unfit.
yes, unfit. As per their affidavit, they said that they found to be unfit as because that percentage of disability, as per the certificate, it was 40, but they found it as 28%.
Lesser.
Lesser.
Hmm.
But my grievance is not that. Had I been considered for Bengali medium school, my cutoff mark is more than, if your lordship have a look at the,
But you
my
were,
marks is more than the cutoff marks.
you were rejected on medical ground,
Yes,
then
yes,
what
yes.
is cut off?
Not
mark?
cut off.
But my lord, that's why I'm coming to that. If your lordship have a look at page 50,
Hmm. Yes. 50.
so 50, column number 3, my lord, that is graduate teacher science,
Uh-huh.
column number 3,
Yes, graduate teacher science.
science.
Yes.
There first Assamese,
Hmm.
next it comes Bengali.
Hmm.
So Bengali, the for unreserved,
Hmm.
that is 69.50.
Hmm.
That is the cutoff mark.
Hmm.
And for physically PWD candidates, it's 24.25.
Hmm.
So my mark is 70.25 marks.
Hmm.
So it is more than the cutoff marks as prescribed for the unreserved category. I'm not claiming for the PWD
No,
category.
what is this chart? What is it reflecting? SME is 72.50 unreserved.
Yes, for Assamese medium, my lord, it's
Okay, Bengali we are taking.
Bengali-
Bengali it is you are unreserved. Then SC, STP, STH. This is not in respect of candidates. Okay, this is, he also got 70.25 something,
Yes.
right?
that is his marks is more than the cutoff marks of for the unreserved category.
Hmm.
I'm not claiming for the reservation.
Hmm.
He-
His marks is more than the unreserved category
Yes,
required.
yes.
Then?
So my marks is more than the cutoff marks.
But then how is it relevant?
That is relevant.
You are rejected on medical ground.
That is another issue. I'm not claiming on PWD category. I'm claiming on the unreserved category.
But throughout from the advertisement, you are claiming physically disabled.
My lord, that is the law. The law is basically, suppose if a person made an application under some reserved category and suppose he obtained some marks more than the unreserved category, then that his position will be shifted to the
That
unreserved
is in respect of caste reservation also.
No, for all, my lord, even for the PWD candidates also.
That I'll.
Then he'll be considered as a general candidate,
Yes,
right?
yes.
Then in that case, what? If he was called for the interview, he was called for medical
No,
examination.
No, his candidature will not considered under the PWD category candidate. His candidature will be considered under the unreserved category then. If his marks is more than the unreserved, cutoff marks of the more than the unreserved category.
Then he comes to this unreserved category.
Yes.
Had this Bengali been taken into account?
Yes, that is my point.
And Hindi was wrongly taken.
Yes, and even
So
in
Hindi,
even in Hindi, in PWD category, my marks is 70, the cutoff marks is 70.25, which I got also.
you got 70.25 only,
Yes,
exactly.
Yes.
Okay. So what do you say, Ms. Mushahari? He will be brought to the unreserved category
On
and
that-
then he will not go through the medical examination.
Yes, not
Lordship-
necessary.
Lordship, on that I'll have to obtain instruction because the affidavit that has been filed, that issue has not been resolved because in paragraph 7, your lordship will see 53, page 53 of my affidavit.
Of your affidavit.
Yes, your lordship.
That point he has not pleaded in his case or what?
Lordship, here.
That point I have pleaded. I
Then,
have pleaded that point.
then you had not replied on that.
No, they have not replied.
Conversion to
Even
general category.
even I can produce a office memorandum of the government of Assam regarding this, my lord.
Hmm.
That,
So that point you have not touched, Ms.
Lordship,
Mushahari.
So then
Conversion.
Paragraph 7, your lordship, of
Hmm.
my affidavit.
Hmm.
My lord, this is a office memorandum.
One second, I'll just go through his plan. Okay, he had applied as a PWD candidate, right?
Lordship, he had
And he
applied.
had filed his own, but then, okay, he had applied, he had gone through the examinations, verification, physical. But then because of his marks, his entire thing will be converted to general category.
Yes.
Then in that case, his inability of physical examination will not hold good.
Lordship, why we had, because he had, in his application, what he had stated is that for language, MIL and all, it will be Bengali.
Mm.
For languages, one subject, it will be Hindi.
Mm.
And again, for medium of instruction in class 10 will be Bengali.
Mm.
So that is why we have stated that the petitioner so and so eligible for selection in both Bengali and Hindi medium school. As such, his provisional selection for Hindi medium school is because in Hindi medium he was not selected.
Yes.
In Bengali medium he was selected because
No, no,
he had
no.
given
No, Hindi.
in Hindi medium he was
This was
selected.
considered only against Hindi medium, not
Hindi
against Bengali
medium.
medium.
But
And
then
it is
Hindi,
considered-
Hindi he wrote language as one of the subject, if any other than MIL.
Hindi.
That is Hindi,
Hindi,
other than
lordship.
MIL.
Other than-
Language of MIL is Bengali.
Lordship.
So they have categorically stated in their affidavit that I am eligible in both Hindi and Bengali. They have stated in their affidavit. Just now she read it, my lord.
That is correct.
That is correct.
That is correct.
So had I been considered against the Bengali medium school, then definitely I would have come under the unreserved category, my lord.
What
So,
memorandum you are
And
showing?
this memorandum regarding this shifting of this
But
reservation.
then she wants time, she has to,
Lordship, on this
like
we
in the
have-
other case, she did not place division bench and I had rendered a judgment.
Lordship.
So you take proper instruction. I'll take it up tomorrow, day after. Day
Lordship.
after. Oh, day after is a holiday.
It's back.
So
Monday, Lordship, Monday.
Monday, you bring it positively.
Lordship.
On this conversion part, you can also bring some judgments on
Yes, yes,
conversion.
Yes. And my
Because
lord-
I remember I reading in some cases
It
where
is,
schedule, if
sure.
somebody applies as a schedule caste and he gets more marks,
Yes.
then he's
Whether-
in roster appointments.
Even this office memorandum says like that.
Huh.
That's why I'm placing it, my lord.
Acha. Okay, you place it when
Lordship.
on Monday.
My lord.
Okay. Third, Mr.
BM document.
B.M. Decca, learned counsel for the petitioner, and Miss D. Mushahare, learned as standing counsel for secondary education. List this matter for further hearing.
Hearing date is
Hearing?
here.
Next Thursday then.
List
Hearing
this
taken
matter
up.
for further hearing only.
Lordship.
For further hearing on
Next Thursday, my lord.
On
next Monday,
Thursday, my lord.
Thursday, on 21st of May,
Lordship.
2026. Yes, Miss Saurathia? Okay,
I did profusely apologize in respect of item number 2, Your Lordship. Actually, I'm in the middle of a third matter.
it's okay. No apology.
Is continuing at 2.
What's up?
Acha. So you wanted some other day? I'm rising at 3:15 for a division bench.
I would have loved to be in
We'll
front of
get-
your lordships.
Ah,
Any day in the first.
I
week
would
of
have
June,
loved to
subject-
hear you also. So what date you want?
9th of June, your lordships, perhaps subject. to-
9th of June. Okay. Which matter you are talking of?
Item number 2. Your
Two. Okay. I heard Miss R. Saurathia Chaudhary, learned counsel for the petitioner, and
Lordships,
SGI,
the ASGI, yes, the Miss S. Barua.
Miss S.
Yes,
Borua.
I'll just inform. you.
Yes, Miss S. Borua, learned SGI, assistant SGI, as prayed for by the learned counsel for the petitioner, list this matter on 9th of June, you said, right?
Yes, sure.
9th of June,
I'm deeply obliged.
2026. It's okay.
I profusely apologize.
No,
Lordship.
no.
Number 13, my lord.
13.
Item 13, my lord, my counsel,
Madam, I'm for the
Not
application.
better.
he has prepared an IA, my lord, for
Ah.
impleading, my lord. I don't have any objections, my lord, that may be allowed, my lord.
At 2.
I will leave the court, my lord.
It's okay. You need not be there. You will be there. I'll record your presence and
Yes,
I'll pass
yes,
the order
yes.
at 2.
May be allowed.
Yes.
Obliged.
Impleading application, right?
Yes, Lord.
It was filed by you.
Thank
Not him.
my lord.
He wants to implead himself.
Yes.
Okay. check. Learned counsel appearing for Mr. H. Homua, learned standing counsel for UGC, and Mr. T.R. Sen, learned counsel appearing for respond number 5. It is seen from the orders passed by this court, wherein the learned counsels were given a number of opportunities to get their instructions and file affidavits, but the same was not forthcoming. Same were not forthcoming, and that by the last order, dated 29/4/2026, this court had allowed a last opportunity to the learned counsels for the respondents to get their instructions. And and further with a further observation that no further adjournment would be granted, and if such adjournment request is made and is granted, cost should be imposed, which would be payable by the authorities who are required to send the instructions. Full stop. Today, when the matter is taken up, Mr. Bhuya, learned standing counsel for higher education, secondary or higher?
Higher, Lordship.
Higher education, submits that today when the matter is called up, in the first half, Lydia, in the first half, Mr. S. Bhuya, preparing for higher education, submitted that the instructions sought for would be received by him today, and the learned counsel appearing for UGC on behalf of Mr. A. Chamua submitted that 2 weeks' time is required for getting the necessary instructions. Full stop. It was further stated, full stop, unable to concede to their request, this honorable court requested the parties to place the instruction as soon as possible. And Mr. Bhuya, learned standing counsel for higher education, submitted that the matter may be taken up in the second half and that he will place the instructions. Full stop. When the matter is again called up in the second half, Mr. Bhuya, learned standing counsel, submitted that the instructions are coming, instructions are underway, but the same could not be received by online by him due to some network issues, and has earnestly prayed that some time may be given to place the said instructions. However, Miss S. does, no, what is her name? What's the name? R. Devi. However, Miss R. Devi submitted that Mr. A. Chamua, learned standing counsel for UGC, is not available in the town, and as such, time is sought for. I'm imposing cost on UGC, not him. And since Mr. Bhuya had tried his best to get the instructions, as such, by this order, no cost is imposed upon him. But since it is seen that the learned standing counsel appearing for UGC has not tried to get the instruction, as could be discerned, a cost of rupees 10,000 is imposed upon the said respondent, which will be payable by the authorities of the UGC. Raised to list this matter again on Mr. Bhuya?
No, sir.
On today's 14th, on 21st of May, next week,
Deeply.
Thursday.
Deeply.
Black.
12 pass over আছে নাকি?
May I
No,
please
yeah.
the lordship?
Okay. Yes.
This case,
Hmm.
petitioner initially engaged as master labor
Hmm.
in the year 1990.
Response are given.
No, Lordship, we have received instruction just this morning, Lordship. So,
Wait, let me see the last order.
Initial order.
Aid her, Ms. Bora,
My lord,
have appeared and accepted notice, no formal notice, acha. Okay,
Yeah.
this is, huh?
Question is that, my lord, on 24/4/9, Court of the last month lordships, court directed to produce the full instructions since the petitioner is going to be retired in the month of 30th of April.
28-4, but then it
And
was only
28
once. You have seen the earlier matter.
I retired lordship in the.
Yeah, I understand.
The DPC has already been completed and court wanted to dispose, but
You have retired.
I retired.
And this is, issue is what? Promotion.
Issue is not promotion. My service not been regularized. DPC recommended for promotion, authority not considered. That is my case. Lordship. When prior for regularize my service from the date of DPC and pay the pensionary benefit in the meantime, since I retired in the meantime. And instruction, BTC already got instruction.
BTC, you have the instructions, right?
In the BTC authority, they are the appointing authority.
last order dated
28-4.
24/4, my Lordship,
Action.
a communication was received from the executive engineer Mushalpur
Hmm,
stating that the petitioner's case is under active consideration.
acha.
That much we have instruction, but other than that, we do not have at this.
But then
present-
you prayed that to obtain complete instructions.
Yes,
Apprised report on 28.
thereafter it has not come up. No instruction has come up.
And you are appearing for
PW PWD.
PWD.
My learned friend is appearing also PW department, but under BTC.
Under BTC.
Mm.
yes.
But they are under state government and I am serving in the under the authority of BTC. And BTC authority also recommended. And the BTC authority is the appointing authority to consider my.
Yes, but then in last occasion, she said that your case
Yes.
is under consideration.
This
But
I
then,
retired also. The may be directed to regularize since DPC already recommended me. And 5% recommended last year, not recently. Recommended.
But
on-
if your service is regularized by the state respondents,
No.
then
it is-
it's
it-
not
BT
required to be-
BTC will take appointed
by
authority,
BTC
executive-
authority, then
executive
this
BTC.
matter is not required to be heard. So let us see what they do.
So there
As
is
a last
my
chance,
learned-
1 week.
What is, last occasion, my learned friend prayer was that since state election
Yes,
counting
was-
is in the month of, this month on 12th, so thereafter my case is.
So 1 week's time to let her get instruction and she also will complete, get the full.
She already has instructions with her, madam.
What instructions?
You already have? Uh-huh.
Instruction just this morning, Lordship.
Acha, this morning. So it's okay, you need not file affidavit, you can place those instructions.
And similar situated persons in the BTC authority, they
Mm.
are considered 48 persons,
Hmm.
other divisions, they are under BTC also. And I also appeared.
Wait, let me go through this. So they have left it to BTC authorities. So this executive engineer says that since he was transferred, his post was upgraded and thereafter he was released. to join the PWD Nalbari Rural Division. So your petitioner is under the BTC authority, so they will decide. So you need not file any affidavit. It's okay. This is your stand
Yeah.
that we are no longer responsible. Right. Now it is for Ms. Bora to place her instructions. Right. And Ms. Bora said that it is under active consideration.
How many days required, says?
Whether I can dispose it of,
Yes, direction may be given, madam.
given to
Yes.
finish his matter.
Yes, madam,
Okay.
to the concerned authority, yes.
Regularize service for the date of DPC and pay the pensionary.
But you are in a regular post, right? Sanction post,
Sanction post.
not personal.
Not personal. Sanction, regular, like regular.
Show
government
me, then present your
getting
case.
all the benefits, like regular employees. everything.
Acha, show me what date you were appointed, what happened.
Yes, Lordship, kindly see, first engagement letter, Lordship, page 17, my master Ullabat.
Yes.
page
Master
1.
role worker,
Yes,
labor.
initial master Ullabat, page 17.
Where?
Then Lordship.
In the office of executive engineer PWD.
Appointment of master Ullabat.
Then,
Then Lordship upgraded to the post of section assistant, page 28.
28.
In the year 1990.
What about these in between
In between, I was
annexes?
serving as master rule,
Hmm.
continuously serving, then upgraded.
But you had given your representations.
Submitted representation before the authority, even before the Honorable Chief Minister of Assam.
Hmm.
On the basis of my represent, they consider my promotion. Lordships considered, then page 20, after 2017, Lordship will find,
Page?
after 17 Lordship page, I submitted application before the executive engineer, Rongia.
Page?
That is page 20,
Hmm.
page 20.
For what purpose?
For promotion to the another post, Lordship, promotional post.
Hmm. But he was working as a master role.
Initially master rule, on the basis of my representation, they considered my promotion to the post to the worker section assistant as page 28. In between,
28.
these are my representations in communication from the authority.
28.
28. Lordships, may I read? Dated.
It's okay. Upgraded to what? Work
upgraded
charge.
to Master.
Work
upgraded
charge.
From MR labor to work
Work
charge
charge,
section assistant.
Hmm.
With the scale of pay, so and so, so and so. Plus
Was,
other-
was he regularized in his post of master role? There is no
Don't-
question of
I
regularizing.
have been, not regularized, I have been promoted to the post of work charge section assistant, this sanction post.
Hmm.
Sanction post, that's not been regularized.
Hmm.
That is my prayer.
Acha.
So these are the, so as per scale of velocity, the sanction post of section assistant.
Hmm.
Then I repeatedly requested the authority. Thereafter, Lordship will find, and Lordship regarding, since I am getting the benefits like regular government employee, well, Lordship may look into the page 31 of my salary statement,
Hmm.
whether I am the sanction post or not, page
Anyway,
30.
scale of pay is given to you.
Scale of pay, Lordship,
Hmm.
everything I am getting. Regarding the salary statement for the month of Lordship, January to
February
Sir,
6.
February 26.
Hmm.
On the March 2025 to February 2026. Everything I am getting since the post is a sanction post.
Hmm.
Then I requested the authority for promotion for the.
Why last DA area?
Worships.
In the salary statement, why DA is area? Why?
Everything like regular employees.
Achha.
Worship. That's why. I
DNS
said-
allowance. Then?
Then Lordship, I requested the authority to regularize of my service to the post of section assistant, which I am serving, post not been regularized. If not regular, I will not be entitled for pensionary benefits. That I requested. The authority, therefore, letter dated on page 32 will find sought for vacancy.
Hmm?
Page 32,
Hmm.
executive engineer
Hmm.
issued letter to the additional chief engineer PWD BTC.
Hmm.
Fund, Lordship, but that is page 32.
Hmm.
Letter is dated 10/5/2023. Subject furnishing document sanction letter of section assistant. your letter number so and so, with reference to subject above, I have the honor to submit here the copy of the sanction detention letter of regular postal section assistance. The details are as follows. Number of sanction posts.
Is 20 man in position, so vacancy position is there.
Vacancy
30.
position is
But he was working as a work charge,
what charge section assistant.
section assistant.
Section.
Okay.
Vacancy position 3. Total man in position 7 out of lordship left side fund, total sanction post.
But he was posted against a sanction post only,
Sanction post.
but he was not regular.
Regular, right? That is,
Then?
and accordingly, my case was placed before the departmental promotion committee.
Hmm.
Promotional committee lordship DPC meeting, your lordship will find page 34.
Hmm.
Minutes of the departmental promotion committee on regulation of services of section assistant against the vacant post under public works department BTC Kuprajar, date 27/5/2025. Then
Okay.
lordship will
Main.
next page,
Hmm.
page 35, second paragraph, lordship will find 6 persons have been recommended for promotion, including me. That after their discussions and observation and observing all documents by all members of DPC PWD, the proposal of the member secretary DPC PWD was accepted and recommended and suggested 6 numbers of watcher section assistant of the regulation in the 2 PWD division offices, where total number of sanction posts, regular post of section assistant are lying vacant for Sri Pradeep Kumar Medi, watcher section assistant for regulation in the office of executive engineer PWD.
Then your name comes. Work charge section assistant Nogen Nath.
Nogen Nath, yes, my name.
Work charge section assistant so and so, so and so.
Nogen Nath.
So and so, so and so, and also for
Because
regularization.
This was in the year 2025. That is
So during this time, he was in service.
yes.
He did not retire.
In
yes.
the meantime, now I retired.
Acha.
During that time, I was not serving.
Then.
I submitted application also.
Hmm.
They forwarded for under consideration. And similarly situated person of the BTC, lordship will find normally after 5 years of continuous service across that they are entitled to regulation. That is letter is lordships.
Page 39.
That letter is lordship page 40.
Hmm.
40. This is the letter of the authority lordship in the year 1979. The
Minimum
second, the
5 years of
section
continuous
is
service.
right to convey the sanction of Governor Assam to the creation of following temporary post section instance and plain section instance.
My lord,
The above
this
post-
matter is regarding regularization.
Hmm.
My lord, Upendas is very clear in this, and my lord, BTC needs to file an affidavit in this.
My friend, please, wait.
After hearing
What-
so, yeah, she has the instructions that
What-
will do.
That,
My lord,
that was.
My
That
every
was
time my
instruction,
mallet friend in
That-
middle part,
That instruction,
standing up and disturbing the court.
my
This
lord,
is my mallet
we'll
friend.
take up this matter,
Every
my lord.
officer.
I am arguing this matter. Your Honor.
Whether Upendas.
No,
is
I
applicable in
heard, I asked her. She said that, okay, it can be taken up and direction can be
My lord,
given.
this is 226.
BTC advocate has stated.
They are the authority
My
appointing
lord,
authority.
They has to file an affidavit.
Why are you telling what she has to do? She has herself said that we have the instruction and then it can be disposed of.
Lordship,
Now you are saying on her
because the
behalf,
last
he has to.
instruction Thereafter, complete instruction is not.
That,
for-
yes, that it is,
only
I've
that,
seen.
it
But
was,
then after that, you said it's okay, it can be disposed of. Now Mr. Dhar is saying
he has
with an
some
angry
objections.
attitude,
No, my
what
lord.
happened?
No, my lord. The thing is that regarding the regularization, my lord, it's a very delicate issue for the state, my lord. Because
See, there is already a DPC letter. This
Okay.
DPC decision is there that regularized these people.
my lord, Upendas says that, my lord, there cannot be any regularization. That is what the law is, my lord. My lord has to.
It cannot be in a straitjacket formula. It needs to be seen in facts and circumstance of the
My lord.
case.
Okay, my lord, I'll argue, my lord will record my submission and my lord will pass it on.
Okay. Yes. Huh.
My learned friend said that is not applicable. That is tax and services in another respect. In this case particularly, Lordship, is a sanction post working as a regular scale IFC, Lordship is seen. And similarly, that's why when entitled, there's a letter page 40, 9th of February 1979, section 7. The Lordship motor paragraph will find the above post should be filled up by regularizing the service of watcher section 10, trained assistant, since designated as so who have completed minimum 5 years of colonial service in the department regarding interseniority, a separate commission will follow. The post may be retained beyond so under the DPP rules if necessary. The expenditure debited to head accounts as shown in the enclosed list.
This is the concurrence of finance department.
Then if on similar persons, then there's regularized in the BTC, page 51. Page 51, Lordship will find, that is dated earlier occasion, Puprajat, 2nd of March, Office of the Executive Engineer, PW Puprajat, Rural Road Division, orders, Puprajat, 2nd March. Number so and so, in presence of Secretary, PWD, Bodoland, Territorial Council, Puprajat, by letter number so and so, dated 29/2020. And the additional Chief Engineer, PWD, Bodoland, Territorial Council, Puprajat, by letter number so and so, dated 29/2020. The 48 numbers of watcher section.
This is by a similarly situated person.
Yeah, similarly situated, they already regularized other divisions also. So I also approved, since I civil, I approved right, and the DPC also recommended. So I am entitled for regularization, for date of DPC losses. In the meantime, I retired, so my learned friend always, this time last of the honorable, so one dictating, my learned friend said they're not entitled. So I asked him to place the instruction. And that authority by BTC. Main BTC is the appointing authority.
So, okay, you are finished.
This is by the, since I have placed the judgment of the honorable defense court, this is judgment. Regarding master rule worker, after Umadevi's case, this is the 2025, decided the Honorable Supreme Court on 19th of August 2025.
Now, what is the citation?
They are the master rule and working non-sanctioned posts. They prayed for regulation. Authority recommended, subsequently rejected. They approved the Honorable High Court of another High Court. This was rejected. They subsequently approved the Honorable Supreme Court for consideration. So kindly.
So what is the citation?
Citation is Lordship provided. The civil appeal number.
This one, Dharam Singh.
Yes, sir. Dharam Singh. Paragraph 15, Lordship.
15.
15, 15, 17, 19, 19.1, 19.3. I will place my case. First, paragraph number 15, Lordships. So may I read, Lordship?
It's okay, I'm reading.
Paragraph 15, then 17, 19, 19.1, 19.3.
— 17 and what paragraph you said?
17, then 19, 19, then 19.1. That case, by creating supernumerary post, here is the already sanctioned post. Then 19.3 also applicable my case. Retired employer. Yeah, in the meantime, petition also retired.
Here the employees were on ad hoc.
they are on ad hoc, but here is my more better case.
Mm.
These are actual section posts. Even I am placing, even master ruler, they are also on the so directly. Yes, the case of I am serving as section post against sanction vacant post, sanction post.
Okay, then, yes,
I
Mr.
found
Bora?
submission by regularized on the date of DPC. Since I'm in the meantime, pay my benefit all and pay the pension also. The day.
Okay, Ms. Bora?
Lordship, regarding, other than this, my lord, I do not have any instructions, my lord. Only I have that communication
Mm.
that his case is under active consideration. Thereafter, I do not have any instruction. So, my lord, if state has to say something,
Now, where did Mr. Dhar go?
I'm just taking out the printout of that judgment. Defender.
What judgment? Tell me about the facts of that judgment.
My lord, in the year 2005, my lord, what happened? State regularized something around 30,000 plus master roll workers and work charge employees
By some cabinet decision.
by some cabinet decision.
Mm.
Then, my lord, many were left out. Then we tried to, my lord, go for further regularization. In the meantime, this Upendas, they came
Mm.
here in the writ petition, then in an appeal.
Mm.
There, my lord, this division bench is held that, my lord, the last paragraph,
Mm.
the last paragraph of the judgment, my lord,
Mm.
is
Paragraph 22.
22, my lord. Last paragraph, my lord, from 22 and 23. These two are important, my lord.
Mm.
I'm reading 22. It is, however, heartening to learn that the state government has agreed not to terminate the master roll workers, work charge, and similar place persons working since last more than 10 years.
This
Till
is,
their-
you see, it is not in sanction post.
Yes.
But here there is a difference. Here he is working in a sanction post. He was promoted to work charge assistant,
Work charge is not a my lord sanction post, my lord. Work charge, my lord.
Section assistant.
section assistant. Work charge section assistant.
Section.
That-
section.
That is what,
What is that case?
my lord, from master roll worker. He has to be has to be in a sanction post, my lord.
See his appointment and his promotion order to work charge.
Section assistant.
That is what, my lord, led BTC file an affidavit to the effect that it is in a sanction post, my lord. Because tomorrow, my lord, there will be more problem, my lord. If it is not, we won't be able to give concurrence. Finance will not give concurrence. We'll come for an appeal.
But see, you should have decided, you are the government authorities. One says that take it up. Okay, direction can be given. Now, after hearing the entire matter, you say BTC is required to file affidavit. This is not done. My time is being wasted. What is this? And the way you had approached this court, this is also not done. Listen, I will submit. What is this? This is the behavior. Did you see me
No.
behaving like this when I was on the other side?
I'm sorry, my lord. I was just rushing from some other court, my lord.
No, no, I'll dispose it of.
My-
As the BTC advocate has said, it
But-
will be all in the recordings.
But my lord will,
BTC will decide what they have to do and what not.
but they will send it to us, my lord. That is why we are also a party, my lord, in this case. So my lord will,
You are all separate parties. Now you are appearing for what?
PWD.
PWD.
Yes, my lord.
PWD for the BTC area.
No,
Then
PWD for the state.
for the state.
My lord, because we give them the money, my lord, concurrence when they will need for.
You have to give. If we allow regularization, you have to give.
That is why my lord will,
You will take their services. You will make them work for years and years. And then you say, no, we cannot. What is this?
my lord will quote my submission, para 22 and 23 of the judgment.
22, 23 is different. This is in respect of the non-sanctioned post.
My lord will reject my submission, but my lord will quote it, my lord.
Definitely, whatever judgments are being produced, I'll have to quote it. I'll have to refer to it.
Yes, my lord. And my lord,
Now, tell me, Miss Bora, you tell me whether they are in a sanctioned post or what?
1 week's time, if I can get something, my lord, I'll come up with that.
This is not done. This is not done. This is purely wasting the court's time. You bring it by Monday. By Monday, I'll remember the facts. Bring it by Monday.
My lord, it parted.
Heard Mr. F.U. Barmia, learned counsel for the petitioner, and Ms. B. Bora, learned standing counsel for BTC, and Mr. R. Dhar, learned standing counsel PWD. List this matter again for further hearing on
Monday, Lordship.
18th of May.
Lordship.
These two cases, I'm keeping it in the file.
Lordship.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Hmm. Yes.
Lord,
Let me ask whether he, oh, yes.
Yes,
the-
Lordship.
He,
Mr.
impleading
yes.
application.
Yes, Lordship,
Okay.
impleadment petition.
Hmm.
Lordship.
So whom do you want to, who are you?
I am the Lordship, who's, I'm for the applicant, Lordship, Lordship Hussein Ali.
Hussein Ali.
Yes, Lordship, I'm Sobur Ali, yes, Lordship. And they may be, Lordship.
You representing two persons wants to implead yourself
Lordship.
in this writ petition. How
Yes,
are you
Lordship.
affected? How are you? What is the
Lordship,
necessity?
I am the Lordship, guardian of the people of the school, Lordship.
Guardian?
Guardian of the people, Lordship, student, that means, Lordship, of the.
Student.
Yes, Lordship.
Guardian of some students.
Yes, Lordship.
Now, whether your
Yes, Lordship, I.
participation is required.
Yes, Lordship.
How can be? How can it?
Lordship, we are looking after the, because Lordship, we are looking after the management of the school. When, we are, Lordship, we are the resident of the locality surrounding the school, Lordship.
No, what happened? What is the cause of action?
Because Lordship, the repetition has obtained an interim order regarding Lordship extension of management committee. The period of.
Period.
Yes, Lordship, the period of a school managing committee is only for 3 years. Already 3 years is over, Lordship. Due to interim order, Lordship, obtained by my learned friend, Lordship, authority cannot, Lordship, make a refresh, Lordship.
Acha,
Fresh
the status
constitute-
quo was maintained
Yes, Lordship.
and they are continuing.
Yes, Lordship.
Managing committee.
Managing.
Then?
committee. Then, Lordship, if Lordship interim order is there, Lordship, the authority cannot, Lordship, constitute a fresh school management committee because they are continuing,
Okay,
Lordship,
yes.
by virtue of this interim order. Therefore, Lordship.
So how are you affected?
And yes, Lordship, not only me, Lordship, the public, Lordship, kindly see for a moment.
The entire issue was on extension of the managing committee.
Yes, Lordship.
And there is now a stay or a status quo, whatever. Now they are continuing.
Yes,
Now
Lordship.
you being the guardian of some students,
Not
how
only.
are you affected?
Lordship, kindly see page, Lordship, 10, Lordship, annexure 1.
I.
Yes, Lordship, They are the public, Lordship, they have also submitted representation before the authority, Lordship, for dissolving the school management committee,
So you are representing the public.
Lordship. And we are of the signatories amongst them, Lordship.
How are students, how can students question?
And Lordship, page 17, Lordship, annexure 1A. This is the last
Wait, I've
representation.
not finished reading.
Page 17, 17, Lordship.
No, managing committee is not, the new managing committee has not come. It is not being constituted. children are suffering in what way? They are not getting
No,
midday
no,
meal.
lordship, they are not a lordship involved here, lordship. We the people of the locality, the old lordship, earlier management committee, lordship, the period of earlier management.
It's over.
It's over, yes,
Over.
lordship.
But then why you are required to be made a
I'll not-
party?
Until.
Now it is for the authorities to see.
Yes, lordship.
Those authorities are already made a party here.
Lordship, they are not pursuing this lordship. They are,
Uh-huh.
they are not a lordship pursuing the matter lordship because lordship,
What they will not be personally
yes,
interested.
lord, not
Then you are
interested.
not required to be personally interested.
No,
You
we-
file a PIL then.
Lordship, no, lordship, we are affecting lordship, earlier lordship, old management committee, they did not convene any meeting, ke lordship.
So who is appearing for elementary education here there? Are they required to be made a party? I don't see them as a necessary
are
proper
party.
party for adjudication of the
Yes,
case.
lordship,
Secondary education, elementary education,
yes, lordship.
everyone is there, director is there.
Yes.
Then block elementary education officer, the headmaster is also made a party.
Yes, take it, yes.
And then you being the guardian of two pupils, how can that suffice?
Lordship, we are lordship, we are two people before this honorable court lordship, out of the lordship, public, around the lordship school lordship, surrounding the school lordship. And we are, lordship, we are of the signatories of this lordship representation. Lordship is 17 lordship, kindly see for a moment.
Okay, you file representation before the principal,
Yes,
right?
lordship.
Yes, so you have filed
Block-
representation before the principal, and principal is made here a party.
Lordship, block elementary education officer, lordship. Representation submitted to the block elementary education officer.
Okay.
Block elementary education officer, lordship, these people approach this BO lordship. BO replied that since there is a interim order, therefore we cannot constitute a
That is
prayer
correct.
committee.
There is an interim order now.
Yes,
You cannot
lordship.
unless the writ petition is heard and
Lordship,
dismissed. of.
common authority, their lordship not interested to dissolve this committee. Therefore, the local people are before this honorable court.
Acha, this writ petitioner Gulab Hussain
Yes,
is
lordship.
president
Yes,
of the
lordship.
school managing committee.
Yes, lordship.
What is the prayer made here?
Lordship,
What is this impugn order of 38,
yes,
2023?
lordship, yes. Lordship, interim order is not with me, lordship, but lordship, kindly see page,
Acha, to initiate the
page
process of,
32.
to direct the respondents not to initiate the process of reconstitution or the before completing tenure of the existing school in respect of so and so. The basis of the implement. So what they say is their term is not over.
Yes, lordship, at that lordship. Yes.
Their
lordship.
term is not over,
Yes,
and so they cannot be chucked out.
yes, lordship.
Where is the impugn order here?
Lordship, interim order is not lordship with me, lordship.
That order is dated 38, 2023.
Yes, lordship.
38, 2023. 38 or 38, eh? 38, but then there is one 38.
Fifteen, 11, 23, Selenity.
Okay, let the petitioner's counsel be there. Okay, we'll take it up tomorrow. Because I need to know the facts
Lordship,
before impleading.
lordship.
Heard Mr. What was his name?
Yeah, yes, Islam.
S. Islam, learned counsel for the petitioner. And you are Mr.
Yes, Ali,
S. Ali, learned counsel for
applicants.
the applicants. No, you write S. Ali for the applicant and S. Islam
Yes,
for the respondent. List this matter again tomorrow. Tell Mr. Islam to be here.
lordship.
Tomorrow, that is 15th of May.
Lordship, this is a contempt. Lordship may kindly peruse the last order.
Hmm. Mr. Bora,
My lord,
yes.
my lord, I have received the instruction, my lord. Here
Hmm.
I need some time, my lord.
Hmm?
I need some time. Here, my lord, actually, checklist has been forwarded to the, my lord, secretary, but
Hmm.
some mistake is there.
Decision is not yet taken.
Not taken, my lord. Provincialization checklist on procedure. Procedure is going on, my lord, regarding provincialization of the service of the petition.
But see, on 2 occasions,
True, my lord. My lord.
with regard to the proposals, what 2 occasions, maybe more?
Yes.
Up-to-date instructions, so many times.
Contempt of
My lord,
2024.
during-
Hmm?
Because of
Contempt
this.
filed in
period
So
of-
contempt cases of 24.
True, my lord.
Okay, I'll give you only 1 week's time. I'll fix it on
Can it be, my lord, 15 days, my lord, 2 weeks?
21, 21st of May.
Can it be on 26, my lord?
26th.
My lord.
Okay, 26th. Heard Mr. M.H. Loskar, learned counsel for the petitioner, and Mr. P.K. Bora, right?
My lord, my lord.
P.K. Bora, learned counsel for respond number 1 and 2. Mr. Bora submits that he requires a very short time to get the
Checklist to what I said.
decision taken
Financial report.
on the proposal submitted for provincialization of services by the petitioners.
Service of the petition.
Prayer is allowed. List this matter on 26th of May 2026 as the last opportunity.
Alright.
Why has it come up for orders today?
My lord, as per the last order, we have taken steps upon respondent number 4 and 5.
Hmm.
However, the steps are still awaited.
You have taken steps, services awaited, right? Wait.
My lord, there is another prayer. The issue in this writ petition is similar to some other writ petitions. So I have a list of those matters. This matter may be tagged with proceeding.
Hmm.
And there is also any interim prayer that may be extended.
Interim granted? No.
It is granted till the next date of list.
Huh?
Interim was granted till today.
Acha, where is that?
Last order, 7/4/2026. That may
No
be-
coercive action.
No coercive.
Okay. You're right. Heard, Mr.
As Banikya.
S. Banik.
Banikya.
Huh?
Banikya. Banikya.
Banik. Learned counsel for the petitioner. It is submitted that the petitioner had taken steps for service of notice upon respond number 4 and 5. But there is no office note reflecting that the service is complete. As such, the service may be awaited for some time. The counsel for the petitioner also submits that there are analogous petitions filed by similarly situated what? Some employees, similarly situated employees, and the said petitions may be listed along with the same. The analogous petitions are numbered as so and so. Prayer is allowed. List this matter along with the said analogous petitions. Those petitions were fixed on what date?
I don't know about the date. It was fixed today, ma'am.
Nalage detail. Along with
Organizations
the
are
other
different.
petitions, huh?
Organizations are different. I think our organization, we are seeking relief against Assam Petrochemicals.
No, unless you have the dates there.
I don't have the date.
Otherwise, when will I fix it?
It may be tagged together with those items.
If no dates are fixed there,
I don't.
then you have to submit before the registry to list it. Analogous, huh? The interim order passed earlier shall continue until the next returnable date.
Wait, please.
Mm.
that the matter relates to,
Other side is not there? Hmm?
P. Chaudhary appears above.
Who are the parties here?
LIC,
Who appears for LIC?
SP Chaudhary.
SP Chaudhary. So he can represent all the respondents?
Yes, he is being representing all these.
So inform him, otherwise if the prayer comes that no, I cannot do, he is not there, then again after hearing the entire case,
Right.
like in the other cases,
Yes.
I had to get it adjourned. I'll take up the next matter. Till then,
My lord.
let us see whether he comes.
Yes.
Okay. Item 19. I Hasieb. He named him. I Hasieb. This has come after long. Hasibur Rahman niki? H. Rahman. Yes. No one appears. There likha. None appeared on for the petitioner on call. Neither the counsels representing the respondents are present. For the interest of justice, list this matter again on 2nd of June, 2026. Mr. D does 22. 19. 19 years. No one has appeared.
I'm appearing for the respondent.
Acha, none appears to Badya Hetu. Neither bleed.
Cut.
Okay, Mr.
G. Goswami, my lord.
G.
G. Goswami.
G. Goswami
For the respondent railway.
respondent, but he's not there, so I'm
Yes,
fixing it
ma-
some other day.
My presence may be recorded.
Yes.
Deeply obliged, my lord.
Mr. D does. So on the last occasion, Mr. D Das was there. D Das means not Mr. Digonto Das, some other D Das.
I think Diganto's junior is there, I think.
No, but then no one is there.
Actually, discussion for higher, as Das is paying for the higher education. And last night there is some discussion for the, we have filed our affidavit.
Yes.
They.
But the same were not
they-
record on record.
Oh,
I think
yes,
it has.
It's come.
Hmm.
And they will file a reminder. I think that is supposed to come, I can't see.
It's okay, none appears on call for the petitioner. However, Mr. S. Bhuya is there
Higher education.
for the higher education department. For the ends of justice, list this matter again on 4th of June. Can the hearing be over in 25, what,
Perhaps not.
15, 20, 25 minutes?
The two writ petitions, the writ petitions are against an order of penalty of dismissal from service, my lord. Perhaps it will not be over.
Yeah, I think so. But then,
I've
okay.
summarized the mallet facts, I can give your lordship
Hmm.
just.
Yes, Mr. RKD Chaudhary, we are for which matter? I don't think so. I'll be taking up any of 315. This court is rising.
In fact, the next matter, 25.
Huh.
Your lordship will see the call. It has been tagged with another matter, which is lordship 2192. I'm sorry, lordship 2304.
Some other analogous matters are there.
No, this has been wrongly connected with the other matter. It should have been with 2302 because
The issue is, my lord, out of one incident,
two CRPF personnel involved.
Mm.
One fellow shot at one fellow, and one got injured. Both
Mm.
have been, DP was initiated, and both have been dismissed.
Mm.
So both have challenged the DP. So it has to be connected.
It has to be taken up
It has to
together.
be taken up together.
It has to be taken up with WPC 2302 of 24. That is Raju Shil versus Union of India.
So there is a disposed of writ petition which
No,
is
no, no,
tagged.
That is different.
That is,
That is
that has been
different.
mistakenly.
Oh. Okay, in 25 you write. Mr. R.K.D. Chaudhary, Learned Senior Counsel and Deputy SGI submitted that the writ petition which is tagged along with the present writ petition, that is writ petition tagged, that is WPC number 2304 of 24, which is a disposed of petition, tagged along with the present writ petition is an incorrect petition, and the correct writ petition that should be tagged along with the present writ petition is WPC number 2302
of 2024. Yes.
of 2024.
That is Raju Shil versus Union of India.
Okay.
Shil.
That is Raju Singh
Raju Shil.
Seal,
Seal.
S-A-L,
No, no. SHIL.
S-H Shil,
Ah.
S-H-I-L, versus Union of India. As such, the registry is directed to tag the writ petition mentioned above with the present instant writ petition. And that disposed of petition not required.
No,
This is
no,
wrong
that
way.
is of education.
Ah, yes. On the next date.
Yes. Lord.
List this matter on,
Any day, Ketya.
list this matter on
Readings to complete.
11th of June,
11. Readings are complete otherwise.
Yes, that is fine, Lordship.
11th of June,
That is.
2020.
Item number 26, since your lordship is not taking up any other matter.
I will hear this matter for some time.
This is the urgency, your lordship. This matter relates to your lordship.
Okay. So item 26, you write,
Can be taken up on 21st, your lordship.
as prayed for by the learned counsel for the parties, list this matter on 21st,
Lordship.
21st of May, 2026.
Similar matter in item number 27.
No, no, dates will be given by the postmaster, okay?
May please, your lordships. Your
Dates
lordship,
will be given.
my apologies, your lordships. In item number 22, I'm led by senior counsel Mr. D. Das, your lordship. When the matter was called up, he was on leave
22,
in court number 10, your lordships. Kindly
Acha.
his name may be recorded, your lordship.
okay. So you are Miss
S. Sharma,
S. Sharma for, on behalf of
Mr. D. Das, senior.
Mr. D. Gontadas?
Yes, your
Acha, I thought someone else, some other Didas. Okay, appears, and I did one. Item number 22.
deeply obliged, your lordship.
Let me hear the present matter.
Yes.
Otherwise, you can,
But
the
I think
postmaster will give you time.
Item number 17, I tried to,
Huh.
she was supposed to take up after some time. I tried to connect Mrs. Chaudhary, but they could not connect him.
The item number 17 to cover, Oh, Mr. S.P. Chaudhary.
SP Chaudhary.
So
I
he's not there.
tried his number thrice, not picking up.
He did not pick. up.
Perhaps it's some
He might be in some court also.
other court maybe. So may I just pray for, can it be taken about 28? This is a 2016 matter.
Yes,
And
as
the
prayed
person,
by the parties, by the council, appearing for the parties, list this matter when?
28th of May,
20,
28.
28
It's
of
a-
May, 2026. Here we in item 17, right?
17.
17 not,
Grateful, man.
Okay. This one I can hear for 15 minutes. And then
My lord,
next week.
yes.
Because
Lord,
tomorrow is
what
a
happened,
Friday, there will be so many miscellaneous matters.
What happened, my lord?
Or if we want to start afresh on some other day.
It will be better, my lord, in that case.
But this is a big one, so let me go through.
Yes.
Okay,
My lord, what happened?
give me the broad idea.
Yes, yes. The petitioner was serving as the deputy general manager. my
Which,
lord.
which writ petition you are arguing?
I'm taking lordship, my lord, WPC 6971. This is.
Oh,
item
this
number-
is 394. There are two
There are
petitions.
two petitions. There are two petitions. Initially, he was dismissed from service and he filed appeal. It was not taken into consideration. but-
Appeal before the authority.
Yes, lordship.
Hmm.
It was not taken into consideration. Thereafter, my lord, he has preferred this earlier writ petition. And during the pendency of the earlier writ petition, they have issued the impugned order in this, which is impugned in the second writ petition, dismissing the appeal.
Therefore, he has filed the second writ petition.
Acha, acha.
This is the- And
Oh, মোক ইখন দিয়া না, give me the other writ petition.
6971.
6971. That one, I'll hear it first.
Yes,
Then,
and just now I have given my lord the one to
Ha, ha,
get
ha.
it, get it.
there are a bunch of case laws.
No, no, these are my, this is my
Acha,
index,
acha.
index. I have given the
Index, yes.
index in with some description. I have what is given in the annex. I have given this description. You'll also find annex at 1/33. This is the date of retirement. The certificate is issued. My lord, he has retired on completion of his service on 31/12/2020.
Oh, he retired.
Yes, he has retired from service.
Huh.
This is the completion certificate.
Pankaj Chetri, designation Deputy
Designation.
General Manager Chemistry.
Yes,
Served the oil and ONGC
yes,
in various capacities from 88 to 20.
yes,
He separated from the company in 21.
yes,
On retirement for service on the date of leaving the company, he was on basic pay.
yes.
So 1,86,000. So this is a
This is
regular retirement from
regular
service.
retirement. Regular retirement.
The length of service is less.
Length of service, my lord, he has completed his full service, my lord.
Oh, in 88, no,
Yes, yes,
98,
yes.
2008,
Yes, yes.
2018, so 30, more than 30 years.
Yes, yes, completed
okay.
service. Thereafter, what happened, my lord? I take a lordship to annex at 2, which is.
I'm
11
referring to your list of dates, huh?
Yes.
Annexure
2,
two?
page 49 is relevant, my lord. This is.
Annexure 2 is page 34,
Yes, starts from 34. Our relevant is page 49.
49.
Yes. Here you also will find, this is the
Hmm.
charge sheet submitted by the CBI before the CBI court, my lord. And where they have stated in.
Charge sheet,
Yes,
some allegation against him.
yes, Lordship.
Okay.
Not only him, but other cases.
After his retirement? No.
It was submitted on, my lord, 28/12/2019. Annex at 2.
28/12/2019,
Yes.
yes. And he retired on what date?
He retired on, my lord, 31/12/2020.
20.
Yes,
But you have written 12 here. Oh, no, no. Our service completion issued by when date of retirement, you have written 12
Mm,
in the list of dates.
it's wrongly written, my lord, it's 2020.
Wait. 31/12/2020.
Yes.
There's a wrong mistake
Yes,
you have
my
done.
lord, and thereafter,
So 2019, a year before,
yes,
a charge sheet was submitted.
yes, submitted. In page 49, you also will find,
Hmm.
in the paragraph 3, it is clearly written that during joint surprise check conducted on 22/3/2018,
Hmm.
due to shortage of time and manpower, the above diversion was not verified on 22/3/2018 or subsequent days.
What is the allegation?
Allegation, my lord, I take your lordship to the charge sheet. It is given.
FIR is not annexed.
Yes, it is annexed.
FIR is not there.
Yes, there, my lord. It is annexure 5. Page, it starts from page 70. Is the memorandum of charge of the department.
Page?
It starts from page 70, my lord.
FIR?
No, no, no.
This is
This is the departmental charge sheet.
Departmental
And
charge
the
sheet.
other one which he was referring to was the charge sheet submitted by CBI
Before-
for trial.
Yes,
But he is one of the accused person.
Yes, and that trial is going on.
yes. That I will come, I will come later on, my lord. This is the memorandum of charge, my lord, page 71.
This is a disciplinary inquiry.
Yes.
Yes.
This is my lord.
So memorandum of charge was given to him
Yes,
on 1910, just before his retirement.
yes, yes.
Okay.
1910. It was, my lord, he abused his official
Where are you reading?
article of charges, my lord.
Memorandum I'm holding, sir,
Page
page
71.
70.
I'm reading from page 71.
Hmm. Hmm.
Article of charges, charge.
Hmm.
Pankaj Chetri, then chief chemist, now DGM chemistry, connived with private person, namely Sri Jayanto Dhingia, in play-faring ONGC's chemicals and causing financial loss to the tune of rupees 12.41 lakhs or to the organization, but for recovery during joint surprise check and in furtherance or to such
Nefarious
nefarious
activities.
activities. He also committed following gross misconduct and acts of commission and omission and commission. He
So
abused,
he is involved in pilfering
amplifying.
ONGC chemicals and
Chemicals.
causing financial loss
Yes,
to the
this is the
organization.
allegation. This is the allegation.
Mm.
What is that, my lord? He abused his official position in diverting the chemicals or
Consigned,
cognized,
consigned,
consigned for Galeki drill site, rig number 1400 Roman 6 to
So and so, okay.
CHID drill
And
site.
directed Lokojit Buraguhai.
Buragohai technical assistant grade 2 to receive the chemicals which were shot as preferred
En route.
and at rig number such and such. Though there was no immediate requirement for the said chemicals at the drill site, further he also misplaced concealed the chemistry logbooks, drilling fluids reports pertaining to rigs number such and rig number such and such, so as to suppress the illegal diversion of these said chemicals.
Mm.
He did not ensure weighing arrangements at drill sites so that chemicals could be weighed and accounted for properly at the time of receipt of consignment, thereby facilitating proliferation of chemicals.
So he diverted the chemicals
Number one,
consigned for Galeki drill.
yes,
The chemical should reach Galeki drill, but he diverted.
this is the allegation.
And what happened? And Lobijit so and so to receive the chemicals which were, and he had given to one Lobijit Buraguhai.
Yes, this is the allegation.
Hmm.
He is the my lord.
Okay.
And next was my lord. He also did not ensure deployment of escort along with the trucks carrying ONGC chemicals in terms of provisions contained in para such and such of the integrated
Chemicals? What are these chemicals?
chemicals are used for the digging, my lord. These chemicals are because for the drill are the big well,
Ah.
and for getting the well done, my lord, they have to give some chemicals so that the mud becomes fluid. It becomes in the earth.
Liquid.
Yes, it
Earth becomes liquid.
liquid and
So
comes
that
out.
the digging part becomes
Yes,
easier.
this is chemicals. It
Mm.
is given through the pipe and during the digging purpose.
Mm.
Time, my lord. So these are the chemicals which are
Co-
kept.
Quite costly chemicals.
Yes, lord.
12.41 lakhs to the organization.
yes.
Okay.
Now the
Then-
question with regard to my lord, I take your lordship. These are the allegations.
He committed gross misconduct.
And this
Acha.
is the allegations.
Mm.
And
Then
I take your lordship.
only this allegation, right?
Yes, I take your lordship to page number 62. This is the as regards page number 62.
Before.
Yes,
Huh.
relevant portion page 67 and 68.
Hmm.
This is the contract agreement of transport vehicles because the chemicals are taken through vehicles.
Hmm.
Truck, my look,
Mm.
and the trucks owners are required to enter into agreement with the ONGC before entering into the assignment, my lord. And as per that, there is a for doing that there is a agreement contract and page 67 point number 5.29.
Hmm.
You also will find
Mm.
5.29 page 67. Contractors shall be responsible to take all steps to prevent loss, damage to materials given for transportation.
Hmm.
Any damage or loss to material during transportation shall be recovered from the contractor.
Hmm.
Assessment of loss, damage to materials shall be done by ONGC as per standard practice.
Hmm.
The decision of ONGC in this regard will be final and binding.
Hmm.
Meaning thereby, my lord, the contractors, the truck owners who are responsible for taking the chemicals from the godown
Hmm.
to the drill site,
Hmm.
they are the responsible persons as per the contract.
Hmm.
Number one. Number two, my lord, 5.35. It is at page 68, my lord. In case of truck, I married, my lord.
Hmm.
In case the truck is found to be involved in any case or privilege, the contract may be terminated.
Hmm.
In case of seizure of the truck by state authorities, police on this account, the responsibility regarding release of the truck shall rest with the contractor solely. ONGC shall impose applicable penalty as per liquidated damage causing during the period of seizure on account of non-availability unless the civil or police authorities clears the indulgence of contractor's truck against the church.
Acha, this is an agreement between whom and whom?
This is the agreement between the ONGC and the truck owner.
ONGC and the contractors?
Yes, truck owner. Because
Truck owner.
they have given me allegations that I have diverted, that there is a loss on me, by me. But the thing is that it is not done by me, it is carried through by the truck. And that in case of any loss or damage, the truck owner is responsible. The responsibility cannot be vested upon me. That is one aspect.
Admittedly, those chemicals were taken by a truck.
Yes, taken by truck. They are taken by, always taken by truck, my lord.
Then?
I take the notice to page number 69. This is the stock. This is the, my lord, STO, stock transfer order. Whenever, my lord, chemicals are required to be moved from one place to another, there is entry and exit entry in the logbook. This is the stock transfer order, my lord. The order and this is logbook, my lord. This is done through online, my lord, online digital system is there. And in this sheet, my lord, never the petitioner signed. He was neither responsible for sending and not for, my lord, receiving. Because he has never signed this.
Okay. So this petitioner had never signed?
Yes. Apart from that, my lord, I take your lordship to annexure.
This is the chemicals that were taken, right?
Yes.
Lignite powder.
Yes.
And all these?
Yes.
6 numbers.
Yes, lordship. Your lordship, kindly come to page 71. It is last part signature. It is the Shocker's notice. This is a memorandum of charges signed by director offshore. In this regard, I have to state, my lord, the director offshore is not the administrative authority of the petitioner. It is the, my lord, because there are two modes of disciplinary proceedings. One case where individual, my lord, employee is made the delinquent employee in the departmental proceeding, then the concerned head of the department of that particular where the department where the employee is working is the disciplinary authority. When there are more than one employee, then the senior most director would be the disciplinary authority. Here,
there is only one person who is.
Yes, I am the single person, but they have made the director offshore as the disciplinary authority.
According to you, he
is not the
authority. He is not the competent person.
Director.
Head of the department will be
director exploration.
Director exploration.
Exploration is my departmental authority procedure.
Where? How can you say that?
Yes, because, my lord, this I will come later on, my lord. The office memorandum guidelines are there with regard to this. I have given in the column 7 of this. I have given the note, my lord, in the that 2 pages I have given. There I have written this thing. Regarding the, my lord, charge, they have stated, my lord, that I need to provide the escort for carrying the materials as there was loss and liability is imposed upon me. And they have stated that as to why I have not provided the escort. But for that, my lord, there is a guideline, my lord. I take your lordship to page number 87, point number 4.
Point number 4?
4. Manual.
This is different page number. What point number?
87, my lord.
80.
Reply to charge point number 4, my lord.
87.
87.
87 of
87 of this petition, charge number 4.
Yes. Reply to. It is, my lord, I am giving the reply, my lord. This is when there is only materials are taken through wagon, train, my lord,
Hmm.
then only escort is provided. As per, my lord, IMM manual clause 36.8.1.
Hmm.
As per their manual,
Hmm.
my lord, 36.8.1.
Only trains,
Only for
escort to
train.
trains
Whether
are required.
Materials are, my lord, carried through train, my lord, the wagons, then only, my lord, this is, security has to be provided, escort has to be provided.
That is his reply.
That is his reply. And
Okay.
here it has come to track,
Hmm.
then why shall I, my lord, be responsible for providing the escort, my lord?
Hmm.
And, my lord, they have imposed another charge that
The train, there should be an escort, not in respect of
the truck.
truck. Can it be believable?
They have, it is their guideline.
How can an escort be kept after a train or before the train?
Yes, that is their guideline, my lord. And one aspect they have, my lord, given upon me, my lord, that I have not taken any steps for measuring the chemicals at the receiving point.
Hmm.
There is no such guideline in the ONGC. There is no such arrangement also for measuring the materials which is received at the drilling site. And this aspect has been admitted by the director offshore in before the learned court CBI, my lord. That I have annexed.
Hmm.
This
There is no
aspect,
facility.
they have admitted this is not requirement. I will take a lordship later on that. I will take a lordship to page number 135, clause 34. This is the rule of the ONGC for conducting, my lord, disciplinary proceedings and imposing punishment.
135.
135, clause 34.
Nature of penalties.
Nature of penalty.
Hmm.
When and how has to be imposed, my lord. I read, my lord. The following penalties may, for good and sufficient reasons, and as hereinafter provided, be imposed on an employee who is found guilty of misconduct or a breach of any rules or orders made by the company or by any other authority empowered in that behalf by the company, namely major penalties, censure, such and such minor penalties, my lord. These are the minor penalties. Major penalties. I take your lordship to major penalties 11. 11. This, because I have been dismissed, therefore I am reading this, my lord. Dismissal from service, which shall ordinarily.
So that was not a retirement. You were dismissed from service.
Yes, after retirement. After retirement, I have been dismissed from service.
What after retirement you were dismissed?
Yes, that is the thing.
That
my
is
lord.
permissible
Permissible.
under the rules. Now, if the inquiry
That was
is
initi-
initiated before his retirement, then the inquiry continues post-retirement and any punishment under the service rules can be imposed, even if the person retires from service.
Okay, punishment can be imposed, but
So it-
dismissal is what? where?
Dismissal can also be imposed.
I will take your lordship there.
Dismissal with effect from some earlier date.
From the date the
Of his
order is
retirement.
passed. Or because he cannot be retained, because there's a provision in the.
He has retired, so he will not be retained. So
So he
it-
has retired, it is
Huh.
there in other service rules also, in the state service rules, central service rules, even in bank service rules.
Hmm.
If a person retires and before his retirement, any disciplinary proceeding
Yes,
is
okay.
initiated and that can continue and any punishment under the rules can be imposed, which includes dismissal from service.
But dismissal, yeah, of course, any punishment can be imposed, but dismissal. So
Can be
his
imposed.
retirement thing will be revoked, dismissed from service, or what?
Yes. Dismissal can be imposed.
Okay, now it's 3:15. We will hear it, or
Yes,
let's see.
on Monday.
Monday is a miscellaneous day, will be
Then
difficult.
Tuesday, my lord. Tuesday at 2 p.m.
Tuesday means?
Friday it will be the Friday.
There are so many matters, I'm told.
My lord, next
2
week
p.m.
I'll have some difficulties. Can it be on some other date, my lord? End of this month or 4th of June?
4th of June, I fixed so many.
11th of June in that case.
Okay, we can fix, but I will not give, I'll not make it Pathar and all. So we have just started periphery. 11th of June.
11.
Okay. I will go.